Hi chat, welcome to another stream. Let's see, what day is today? It's Friday, July 11th of 2020, and we're here to write some more code as usual, as we tend to try to do on this channel. We'll see if we actually get anything done today. But welcome back. Let's see, what did we do last time? Oh, I should probably get things. I did not get things set up. Let me get things set up. Pre-commit. No, that's not where that lives. Pre-commit.ci, so we'll get started with that. Oh, we got a bunch of people in chat today. Hey, what's up, Yoda Droid, who says, hello, world first. You are indeed first today, Yoda Droid. Congrats on that one. Although, it was before I started my bot, so my bot sees RKJ as being first. Which, oops, my bad. Also, hello, RKJ, and Panda Person TTV, how's it going? Hello. And Bilbo Swaggins, I feel like, oh man, it's been a long time since I've seen you on the stream. Welcome back, good to see you again. And Rollers, hello as always, and Andrew Lane X, which probably means we're not getting much done today. Oh, Rollers in fact says that. Andrew Lane X is here, so no code will be written, yes. Hey, what's up, Ethan Timing? Hello, and Enzak, hello as always. Bilbo Swaggin says, will this teach me to learn to code? I mean, I usually try and have some educational bits in my stream, but I'm not sure that I'll be doing like super basic stuff, but we'll see what happens. Sarcastic Dante says, hello, Kent. What? Who's Kent? I used to have a manager named Kent. I used to have an intern named Kent, who turned into a manager named Kent. Which was, that was certainly an interesting one. Roller says, we're already starting with undone buttons. Oh, am I giving you guys some gift sub head start there? We'll be a little bit more professional. Kinda says, good morning / afternoon, Anthony. Hope you are well. It's afternoon for me, just barely, but yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Except I am sick. I feel awful. So we'll see how much of the stream that I get through today. But I've been having like really gross stomach shenanigans, and so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I get through things today. But you know, if we end early, that'll be why. 'Cause that's just the way things go. Hey, what's up, Darthfire TV? Hello, welcome back. And Flash38, hello to you as well. Bilbo Swaggin says, it has been a while, good to see you too. Andrew X says, why do I make a difference? You distract me all the time on stream. Plus you try and rickroll me, and all sorts of stuff. Bilbo Swaggin says, mine was a joke. Okay, good. Deathmark TV says, you look like Clark Kent. Do I really? Clark Kent. I mean, Superman, yeah. I mean, I knew that much. Where's the, like, photorealistic version of Clark Kent? Don't look like that, dude. Don't look like that, dude. Oh, Sarcastic Dante has an image. Maybe that'll be more helpful. You mean the hair? Oh, I got a little twirly thing today. What the fuck is that? What do we got? What is going on with my hair today? That looks so dumb. How do I fix this? It won't go away. Okay, anyway. I see. That's why we got the Clark Kent. That makes sense now. Tespel says, just as I was watching Anthony Explains. Hello. Welcome back, Tespel. Good to see you again. Panda Person TV says, what do you think about Vue and Python combo? To be honest, I don't know anything about Vue. I met the creator of Vue at a conference, or one of the maintainers. I don't know if it was the creator or not. Let's see. Who created Vue.js? I did not meet the creator. I met one of the maintainers, though. She was really nice. But I don't know anything about Vue. Other than it is, what, front-end JavaScript rendering framework thingy? Oh, my keyboard's not on. I must have been recording a video. I am all over the place today, as you guys can see. Let's see, properties, activate, and And suddenly keyboard! Okay, that's good. That's good. Fixed. Oh. Save. Yeah, I don't know anything about Vue. I also don't know much about React either. So, I don't know how much I can help you with front-end web stuff. Kevin says, hope you feel better soon, drink some OJ, and take some emergency if you have some. I don't have either of those things, but I'll try and get some more vitamins in my system. Andrew Next says, is it possible to control presses in Babby's prompt? Yes. Yes, it is. So if we look at the code for Babby, it actually interprets some of the control presses. Oh, what file is that in? It's been a while since we've worked on Babby. I believe it's in here. Yeah, so a few of the control presses are handled already. So like Control A, E, R. This is the enter button, and this is Control C. I guess Control K is also handled. So if we have foo, bar, baz, you can, I guess Control and the arrow keys are handled too. There's Control K, which is cut to end. There's Control A, which is go to the beginning and end. But yes, those are handled there, and you can add more of them by working with this dispatch thingy thing here. But otherwise, they're ignored. Roller says, did Juicebox Hero steal Longboy? No, he's just not chilling out on the bed today. I can put Longboy up there. We'll get all the whole family together. See if we can get Longboy to stand up. Oh, that was easy. We can even get Katie in there, and Rexy, who nobody likes, just chilling out in the back. There, we can have the whole family. The whole family's together. Actually, I have a really funny story about the whole family. I don't remember why. Probably because I said something stupid, but Juice got a little bit salty and like rounded up all of the plushies in the house and was like, I'm taking the kids and leaving! She didn't actually leave, but I thought it was pretty funny. Tesco says, oh shit, did you lose a sense of taste and smell? No, I don't think this is Corona. But when I thought I did have Corona, I did lose my taste and smell. Some interesting research has come out that says that the antibody tests for coronavirus are incredibly inaccurate after 30 days of having it. So it's possible that the negative that I got on the antibody test was a false, or it makes it more likely that the negative I got on my coronavirus test was a false negative. Holy crap! I'm not ready for a raid this early in the morning. Hey, what's up, Julie Strader? Thank you for the raid. With a party of 85. Holy crap! What were you working on today, Julie? Thank you for the shout out command there, Sarcastic Dante. All of my viewers, go check out Julie's channel. She is usually learning JavaScript or doing other modeling and stuff like that. You were learning classes in JavaScript. Ooh, disclaimer, I actually don't know classes in JavaScript because they were not a thing when I wrote a lot of JavaScript, so it's been a while since I've done new fancy things in JavaScript, but that's cool. Welcome, Raiders. Hey, what's up, Quasi Azul and Luan Kamputakao and Jeremtatol. Thank you all for the follow. Sorry if I butchered any of those names. Welcome to the stream. Rona season, yeah. I don't think I have coronavirus. The Melish says, what is your bot.py? If we do bang bot, you can get a link to my chatbot, and it is on GitHub. It is written in Python. It is my attempt to learn async.io, but, you know, it kind of works. Hey, what's up, Mr. Hob? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We were actually just getting started with the stream today, so I actually don't have all that much. Well, I guess I can do the intro now. But the thing that we were working on last time is... Okay, good. I logged into my password manager. We were working on pre-commit.ci, which is my CI system, and we actually got an end-to-end run working. Let me get everything started up. Need the web app. We need the PR worker. We need... There's a lot of moving parts, unfortunately, to this. The run worker, and I need to make a new private window. We need to go to GitHub. I need to log in with my other account. But then we'll hopefully be able to show you guys a demo of here. Hey, what's up, JohnCav18? Thank you for the follow, and OXOwl, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You grab my password from Password Manager. Oh no, my password is Control V. Now everyone knows my password. But yeah, we were working on this repo last time, and spoilers, this is what we got working. But we can actually make a whole new pull request and show you the full flow here. So if I go here and yeah, we'll have the run worker open. That's the most interesting one. Actually, we can. Oh no. We'll move the run worker over here so you guys can see two of the things going on at once. This is the webhook thing, and if we edit this file, this is just kind of a dummy edit. I just wanted to show that like we're updating something with more of these. If we make a pull request, and we got a web request here because every time there's a commit, I get a web request, but we actually ignored that one. But if we create the pull request, you'll see that we should get, yeah, we got a webhook here, and it started running the CI system, and this is what I've been kind of building up towards for a while. I don't know why it's lagging on startup here, but I'll figure that out at some point. Probably just because I haven't run this since I started my VM, but yeah, it will run this, and then it will post to GitHub, and you'll see that we get a valid check here. Now, the icon wasn't working last time, but I fixed the icon off stream. But that's basically what I have working with my CI system so far. I don't know if I set Bang Project today. We'll check that in a bit. Hey, what's up, Cody Murph? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Why did Twitch move the thing around? Where did that go? Oh, it just got moved. Okay, anyway. Let me catch up on chat, because I'm already 8 minutes behind. Oh no! Bilbo Swaggin says, did you do the SciPy 2020 virtual conference? No, I did not. Vue's easy to start up, as it doesn't need anything to install on your PC, just use a CDN link. Yeah, similar to like how Bootstrap works. Cool. Andrew Lennox says, what if I only want it sometimes? I don't know. You would have to do some sort of conditional logic there. Looks like a 12-year-old's bed, yeah, because of all the plushies. I see. JavaScript raid, indeed, JavaScript raid. Hey, what's up, Ethel01? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We've got a bunch of hellos. We've got, let's see, RKJ, how's it going? We've got Sakalo, we've got Kolometko, and Chemical X. Chemical X, that's such a good name. I like that. Dizzy Ramen Uwu? Dizzy Ramen Uwu. Mr. Ahab. Julie, of course. Roller says, morning. It's noon, Anthony writes code. Did I say good morning? Whoops. Panda Person TTV says, my message got ignored. I think I got to it. I think I was just slow. Oxalon says, nice keyboard. Yes, this is the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. It is, it was actually gifted to me from Kinesis, just so I could show it off on stream and stuff. But yeah, I like it so far. I was previously using the code V387 something, but I don't know. I've been trying out this split keyboard, and it's been quite an adjustment for me because I cheat a lot when I type. Hey, what's up, Asho991? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Typing on two keyboards at the same time. Yeah, there was actually a time. Where was this? I think it was when I was at Yelp, where I actually had 3 keyboards hooked up to my. Well, I had my laptop keyboard, I had an Apple keyboard, and then I had a Windows keyboard, and I actually used all 3 of the keyboards for different things, which was a thing. But yeah, this is actually one keyboard. It's just split in half. So like the left-hand keys, I can show you guys better. The left-hand keys are over here, and the right-hand keys are over here. And actually, like when I type, you can see some of the ways that I cheat. Like that was the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and you'll notice that I did most of my right-hand keys with just these 2 fingers. And one way that I used to cheat is when I would type Y's, I would reach over with my left hand to get the Y key. But you know, there's no there's no Y key right here. The other one that I would do is I would take the \n by going over here with my pointer finger and then reaching for the N key. There's no N key there. So there were several ways that I cheated at typing, but I can't quite cheat as much with this keyboard now. Julie says, I got donated money to buy myself a beer today to learn to appreciate the taste because I never drink it. So I thought you were just the guy to rate and ask for beer advice. Ooh, beer advice for a non-beer drinker. Well, I guess the question is, do you like to drink wine or do you like to drink, like, what hard alcohol do you drink? Or do you not drink? Or, it's kind of hard to make suggestions based on somebody I don't really know all that well. Colin Becca says it's my Papega joke. Oh, I see. I got you. OXL says, I got the Ergodox. I'm kind of slow right now, but I'm getting there. Nice. Yeah, also another thing that's not mentioned, and it's really hard to see on the camera, is I actually have my keyboard tinted at a 15-degree tint so that, you know, my hands actually rest similar to a position like this instead of being flat, and it's supposed to, you know, help with your wrist and such. Hey, what's up, Ogo and Nerdy Laka? Hello. Welcome back to both of you. And Juicebox Hero, how's it going? Whoa, the family is out today. Yes, the whole family is out today. Cause chat was like, did Juice steal Longboy? But no, they're all here today. Cody Murphy says 3 monitors is okay, but 3 keyboards? Yeah. So the reason I had 3 keyboards, well, one was the actual laptop keyboard, which I would only use to lock the computer. So that was the lock key. And then I had an Apple keyboard which had a play pause button, and I would use the play pause button for music. And then I had the actual keyboard that I used to type, and so I would use all 3 keyboards for various things. And if I wanted to troll people, I would put one hand on one keyboard and one hand on another keyboard, and, you know, type with 2 separate keyboards. But that was only when I was messing with people. But yes, 3 keyboards. 3 keyboards and how many monitors? I also had 3 monitors, I think, with that setup. Maybe I only had 2. Oh no, yeah, that was because when I ran Linux, so I only was able to run 2 monitors. So I had the same like screen close problem that I had with when I worked at Lyft, which is actually the reason for this bad boy, which is a 2-key keyboard. the babbiest little keyboard you can get. I guess you could get a 1-key keyboard, but that was the reason for that. Ogo says, are you in the custom mechanical keyboard scene? I'm not that cool. Although this is technically a custom mechanical keyboard, as is the 2-key. But no, I'm not that fancy. And this is a kit, so like I didn't even do all that much of oh, that's the wrong scene. I didn't even do all that much of like customization for this, but like you can see the little board in there. That's the not the Pro Micro, the Elite C, and it's the BDN9 kit, and I put the kit together. This is like the most boring assembly of the kit possible. Like I didn't do any fancy LED stuff or whatever, because I just wanted something simple for Stream Deck, so like when I press this button, it takes me to my programming scene, which is pretty cool. Cody Murphy says, I always type Y with my left finger. Yeah, it makes sense. OXL says, if you ever intend to switch, check out the Ergodox Easy. I see. Ethel says, what's the thing in the center? Oh, I actually just answered that. And I made a video about this recently. So if you check out my FAQ playlist, which I just linked in the chat, I think the most recent video talks about that. Andrew Next says, I made a Stream Deck using my numpad. Yeah, that's essentially what this is, but I don't have a numpad. Julie says, I like cider if it helps. Ooh. My suggestion would maybe be like a more milder sour beer. Those are usually like a good gateway from cider to to beer to or to like a sour beer to like more. I don't want to say actual beer because I think ciders and sours are both actual beers, but like more traditional beers, I guess. But I don't have any specific suggestions for sours. I would just like shop around and see like based on their acidity levels. You probably want a lower acidity level to start, because you'll end up with more sour as you go further. RJ says Anthony likes to drink rosé. His opinion can't be trusted. My chat's selling me out. It's true though. It's true. Juice says, "Can I steal that which is mine?" I guess that's true. I guess that's fair. I think we all know who would get custody of the plushies. Yeah, it would be you, Juice. I mean, it's true. Roller says, "Juice, you missed it. Anthony told us how you were gonna take all the children and leave." Yes. Darthmark TV says, "What does the keyboard in the middle and then 2-key keyboard do?" Okay, if you check out the FAQ, you can see that. The 2-key. I haven't made an FAQ about this one yet. But when this is actually from my work computer, where I installed Ubuntu on a MacBook. Oops, I think I have just instructions on that. But yeah, I installed Ubuntu on my MacBook Pro at work. Ubuntu, no, this one. This one. Here. But basically, I wrote up these instructions and was able to get Ubuntu running on a MacBook Pro. The only problem is when I was running Ubuntu on a MacBook Pro, I couldn't power two screens and the laptop screen at the same time. So there's some bug with X, and I was not about to start debugging X. So I was just like, fuck it, I'll leave the lid closed. With the lid closed, I couldn't do the play pause button for my music, and of course I could have done like a special key combination or something like that, but I opted instead to build this tiny little keyboard, and this button plays and pauses the music. That's literally all it does. I can actually plug it in probably. I have a USB, micro USB. The thing is, it would just play and pause my iTunes, which maybe we don't need to do that on stream. But anyway, that's the story behind that. Yoda Droid says, with custom Stream Deck in hand, he uses the mouse to switch scenes of Python. Yeah, there are some. I mean, I only have 6 scenes on my Stream Deck, and these ones are for YouTube. So like, this one isn't. So I guess I could use this one for Twitch, although this is the vastly superior selfie mode, because then you can actually see chat and whatever. But yeah, I do swap them around a bit. But I also have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 15 scenes in OBS, and so I don't have enough buttons for that. Roller says your secrets aren't safe. Deathmark TV says, "My bad, I'll check out those videos you mentioned." Yeah, no problem. It's not your bad. It's okay to ask questions. That's what chat's for, right? Freaking Hop says, "Does a lambic count as a beer?" I would say it counts as a beer. Lambics are some of my favorites. That derpy mode is so good, Julie. I like that. H1X says, "Why do you call enum.enum instead of making a class?" I assume you're referring to the code in Babby. Grab enum.enum. Here. Hey, what's up, Frunhawk? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You can actually do it in both ways. Get grep-l enum.enum, and I think I do it in both ways here. So this actually builds a class. This is equivalent to prompt results. No. Class prompt result enum.enum canceled equals something. I think I would probably set it to 1. These are actually, I think, equivalent, although I think the value is different here. I don't remember how the auto-assigned values work. But they're the same code. This one is just slightly shorter. You can see that I do that same pattern here. Here I actually use the enum as with like very specific values so that I can do some tokenization. Actually, I actually really like this pattern. It's kind of dumb and maybe a little bit too... It's both dumb and too clever at the same time. But I basically build a small tokenization engine using enumeration tokens. So this actually yields out an enum value and also uses the regex inside. So then I can use the enum value later to do dispatch of the tokenization. But I don't know. Thought it was kind of cool. But yeah, you can use both syntaxes. I just tend to prefer the shorthand one if I can use the shorthand one. RKJ says the 2key just posts bonk in chat. One for Michaela and one for Juice. Yeah, the Juice bonks. Hey, what's up, Franhawk? Hello, hello. Print hello world. In this chat, we prefer to print hello, hello world. But yes, hello world or hello, hello world to you as well. Oh no, why do I have emails? Why do I have emails? Oh, it's me. It's me. I get an email for all of the operations that I do here because, oh, not here, but here, because I have accidentally made myself a watcher here, which I can actually fix that. So, oh, this script is way less relevant now. Maybe I should just turn it off. GitHub.com, /watch please. So I wrote this thing when I was at Lyft. But it's a periodic task that will watch repositories on GitHub, and the reason that I had this set up is I used to use auto watch all repositories when I was given access to them, but my previous employer, Lyft, had 2,000 repositories, and when I joined and got added to the GitHub org, it auto-watched all 2,000 repositories. And so I woke up in the morning to like some absurd number of emails, like 1,000 or 2,000 GitHub emails, because of watching the repositories and having bots running commits and like all sorts of other shit. And so I was like, oh no, do not want that. That is absolutely not what we're gonna do here. So I turned off auto watch, but I still wanted to watch my own repositories, and I would always forget to watch them. So I wrote this little script which runs in a GitHub Actions cron, and it runs once a day and makes sure that all of my own repositories are watched. But I need to add more exclusions to this, and I have a funny story about this one here. But hey, I don't work at Lyft anymore, so fuck that noise. But yeah, we're gonna add astilly2 here, so that I don't do that. Yeah. Commit-m laid off from Lyft plus don't watch astilly2. But yeah, this will auto watch all of the repositories there, and yeah. But a similar thing happened with Conda as happened with Lyft, in that I got added as a Conda Forge maintainer on in the middle of the night again. And if you thought Lyft had a lot of activity, Conda Forge has like probably 100,000 repositories and constant activity. And so I woke up to being locked out of GitHub because it had auto-watched all of the repositories. So I got banned from GitHub because I got so many emails for Conda Forge. And yeah, had to ask to get unbanned. That was a whole day. But the one time I've been banned from GitHub was watching all of Conda Forge. But we've fixed that for now, fortunately. Flush38 says, hello Earth Day. Nice. Hello world. I like that. RKJ says, printf. Ooh, we got some some f-string hello hello world. Oh goodness, Python 3. Nice, nice, that works great. I like that. Deathmark TV says, how does the dreaded 24-hour stream work? If activated, do you have to do the full 24-hour stream on the spot, or will you schedule it for a later date? Because heads up, I'm saving up, homie. So Sarcastic Dante has already redeemed it. We're gonna be, hopefully, you know, schedule pending. We'll see what happens there, but we'll hopefully be doing it on August 1st into August 2nd. So we'll be doing a 24-hour stream where I'll do some programming, we'll do some other stuff. Not entirely sure what all we're going to be doing that stream. We'll probably play some Pokemon. We'll probably, you know, maybe do some Twitch sings, like some other fun stuff. Not entirely sure what all we'll work on there, but it should be on August 1st. Hey, what's up, Dean WUD? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Angel Next says, take a shower. I don't think I can take a shower on stream. I don't know that that's possibly a thing that Twitch would allow. OXL says, Jesus, nice commit message. Yeah. Angel says, is this hacky enough? It adds Control V to the go to line thing. What does Control V do? What is Control V supposed to do? Go to end. What is this supposed to do? In Nano, it goes to the end of the file. Control underscore, oops. That's weird. Why wouldn't you just use Control End and Control Home? Those work way better. Then you don't need the prompt. I don't really like that behavior, so probably not gonna add that one. Another thing you can do is -1. -1 will take you to the end instead of Control V, and 0 will take you to the beginning. Which is slightly better in my opinion. Fronhawk says word.py. Word, Fronhawk. Word. But yeah, I don't really like this, because this would add go to end to all the other prompts, and it would break all the other prompts. Also, you don't need to change the type of that enum. You can keep it the same as the inline enum. You don't have to change it to the class formed. Oxal says GG and Shift GG is better. Yeah, for Vim. I mean, you could maybe make GG and Shift GG. Wait, isn't it just G and Shift G? It's just Shift G. Anyway. Hey, what's up, GM Knight? Hello, welcome back. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that I want to get working in pre-commit.ci, and I kind of have to pick like 1 or 2 things to work on today. Oh, you do double shift most of the time? Oh, you double it most of the time? Yeah, because that makes sense, given the opposite idea, or the opposite command. Hey, what's up, Onzen? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Sorry that I'm derpy and can't read your name, but it's good to have you. Welcome. Let me unwatch this so I stop getting emails. There we go. Speaking of emails, what do you... Oh. Unsubscribe. Select all. Done. Cool. Okay, fix that. Oh, I want to talk about some stuff that I did since last time, because I actually did do some programming off stream. Believe it or not, I've been really bad about doing programming off stream between streams for a while, but I did do some stuff. This was a very easy patch, but it was a bug brought up by my friend Chris, who I used to work with. he found a particular edge case in PyUpgrade. And if you guys don't know what PyUpgrade is, it is a tool which takes old syntax and makes it into newer syntax. It's intentionally vague, so it allows me to add, you know, a bunch of different features to it. But some examples of the features are it will take like old set comprehensions and turn them into the new set literal comprehensions. It does that with dictionary comprehensions, format specifiers, a bunch of stuff, including everyone's favorite one, which is to convert F strings. So it'll take, you know, dot format and turn it into F strings, which is pretty cool. But Chris found a bug where there was an F string followed by dot format, and this is actually a buggy call here. So what actually happens here is kind of funny. So this is the syntax that we're looking at. If you do an F string call of foo curly brace 0, this actually produces a string foo 0, and formatting bar into that does nothing. So this is a fancy no op here. But because of that, PyUpgrade was misinterpreting this as this format string without the F string, and you know, this would be valid to rewrite to this. But small bug in PyUpgrade, and so Chris reported that and was very helpful in showing like version information as well as like a reproduction and how it turns it into a syntax error, which is not good. But yeah, then the fix for this was actually very, very straightforward. So I started by running a test first. So good old TDD. I wrote this little test that was like, this should not break. And before I fixed this test, it was crashing by, you know, removing this 0 here. And then there was test failure. And so I went to the particular bit of code which rewrites format literals, so this fix format literal function, and added a little short circuit here if it found an F inside the prefix of the string, so it you know, guards against this particular case. And yeah, that fixed that problem pretty easily. But that was kind of a nice little you know, report plus test plus bug fix, and you know, it felt good to fix that. That was one of the things that I worked on. The other thing that I worked on is for pre-commit, and this is actually partially for pre-commit.ci. There's currently a case where, or there's currently a possible case where pre-commit will set up environments and then continually reset them up if they don't show up as healthy. Pre-commit tries to determine whether something is a valid environment, and if it's not, it will rebuild it from scratch. But I'm just making this explicitly a bug so that people will report the cases where it happens, and so I can fix them. What's in my OpSec says, one thing I hate about F strings is you can't put a curly brace inside of them. You have to put the Unicode for those characters. That's not exactly true. You can put, let's see, thing equals world. You can double the curly braces, and this is the same as the format syntax here. So we did hello, 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 and then we wanted to put something in curly braces. You can double the curly braces, and so that'll end up with a single curly brace in the output. And so that's how F strings do brace escaping there. And so you don't have to do the Unicodes there. You can just double them. That works pretty well. Okay, but yeah, let's talk about what I wanted to work on today. Not that window. Let me move this one up here so that I can click on it nice and easily. Move this down a little bit. Yeah, that works well enough. Cool. But the thing I want to work on today is in the pull request status that we have right now, this links to just example.com, which is definitely not what we want here. We want to take this to some status page which shows like what you know, the output of this, as well as like how long it took, and you know, basically a results page. And we don't have that yet, so we'll try and work on that today. Unfortunately, this means that I need to add a bunch of data and data store stuff. So we'll be doing some workshopping with some database table-y stuff. Hey, what's up, Llama with Memory Loss? Welcome back. Good to see you again. What's my OpSec says I could not find that on Google, so I just used the Unicode and I only needed the closer. Well, there you go. That will hopefully help you out there. Adrian X showing all the keyboards off. There's also keyboard 3. Wait, why did it only do... Oh, I see. Fixture Jake says, hello, how's your Friday? Hello, hello, Fixture Jake. Good to see you again. It's going pretty well. I feel sick, so it would be going better, except for that. But other than that, I think things are going pretty well. Hey, what's up, ETX Blizzard? Hello, hello, welcome. Juice says, I'm sick too. We're all sick. Sad and sick. But hopefully we make it through some stuff today. Okay. So what I want to do is I want some structure that's going to represent the job state here, and so we're going to kind of have 3-ish states. Ish, yeah, right? Like we have pending, and then I guess we have pending, success, and failure. So I need to have some sort of data table that's going to manage all that state. But let's do some workshopping on that. So I know we have this queue here. So we probably need to have commit as the primary value. Although, how do other CI systems do this? Like, is a commit going to run more than once? Do we care about running a commit more than once? Fixture Jake says the FedEx guys... I'm sick of being sick, says Andrew X. Fixture Jake says the FedEx guys left my 130-pound desk at the bottom of the stairs. That was a joy. Oh no. Quick Floor, I've been seeing you in forever, buddy. Holy shit, dude. How's it going? Welcome back to the stream. It's been, what, like 6 months since I've seen you? Damn, dude. Oh, just in time for the drop song, too? Whew. Yeah, what is your follow age, Quick Floor? Oh, I did that wrong. I'm an idiot. Quick Floor has been following for 1 year and 8 months. Damn, welcome back. Holy shit. It's been forever. ETX says, hey, hope you're having a nice day. Yeah, it's going pretty well. Even though you said that to my bot, not to me, but I'll let that one slide. Probably shouldn't have the same prefix, right? Oh well. RJ says, on Travis you can rerun specific commits, I believe. Yes, that makes sense. Hey, what's up, Jumper109? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Although, if I remember correctly, well, we'll look at... actually, we can just look at PyTest, because I know PyTest has, I think, all 3 of them set up. Or even more, maybe. Pull requests. This one. Let's see how other things... Oh, lol. So GitHub does it based on... They have their own run ID. I hate checks. Checks are fucking garbage. CodeCov does it based on the commit. Oh, on a comparison. That's even different. Travis does it based on a build ID. So maybe we'll do it based on a build ID? When you rerun on Travis, does it keep the old run around, or does it open up a new thing? Quickfloor says, I'm a Taylor Swift fan too. Nice. Some T Swift. I mean, I can't say that I'm a T Swift fan myself, but I guess I've heard some of her songs. Oh man, the drop song is so good. Sarcastic Dundee says he was here in February. How did you figure that out? Or do you just remember that? Is there like some thing in the mod panel that I can see? Are you still a Logan Paul fan? I don't think I ever was a Logan Paul. I don't know anything about Logan Paul at all. I just know that he has a name. He's some YouTuber guy? I don't fucking know. RKJ says, I think it does hide the previous build, actually, which is annoying as fuck. Although you can manually trigger a build through the API now, which gets its own ID. Oh, you checked his messages. Oh, is that a thing you can do? Is there some like fancy mod panel shenanigans? I don't actually know how this works. I don't know how this works. Quickfloor says, are you still working at Lyft? Haha. I got laid off in April, so nope. Currently living the fun employed life. Click on the name in the mod panel. Let's see, how do I mod panel? I don't actually know how to do this. Anyway, I'll take your word for it. Whoops. Oh. Why is my own stream making noise? Okay, shush. Jumper109 says, how long have you had your split keyboard? A couple months now? Maybe a month or two? I don't know, not that long. You're a rich guy now? Not really quick. I mean, I have money, but I wouldn't call myself like rich. And my severance wasn't that good, but and it was decent. It was something. Okay, so I guess we have a design decision here then. Do we want to have separate runs per commit, or do we want just a particular, a unique run per SHA? In theory, everything should be immutable, so reruns won't make... Actually, is that true? I don't think that's actually true. I think that's false. Which actually makes me think we need to do another part before we do this. We can make reruns immutable. Can we? Yeah, I think there's going to be one variable in all of the runs, so maybe reruns should still be a thing. Jumper says, how long did it take you to get used to typing on it? So I realized I do one cheat when I type, or I had one cheat when I type, which is that I reach for the Y character with my left hand. But out of the box, I set it up, I ran a type racer, and I got 97 words per minute. So it took me almost no time to adjust to this keyboard. But I haven't gotten that much better with it, but it does kind of work. But yeah. Dan Fred says, shout out War. I don't know what that means. Don't know what that means at all. RKJ says, it depends on the caching. So the way the caching is going to work is the way I plan to do the caching is that there will never be any eviction, because it's cheap enough to just keep everything around. But there is one variable, which is the image version. Yeah, pre-commit builder run. So there's this, currently it's just hard-coded as this. I actually want to make this parameterizable so that somebody could send in an image version here so that people could pick a particular version if they wanted to as like a pro feature or something. But also like they would be able to download the image and run the same commands and validate that things work out the same. But yeah, so there is a reason that you would want to rerun, but like not a very good reason. Dwight E says, why did you get laid off? I actually talked about this a little bit in a video. See if I can find that video for you. Yeah, I talked about this in a stream a while back when I got laid off, so in April. This is gonna be a lot of scrolling to find this. But let's see. It was after my marathon. We were working on Babby all the time. Where is this? Lyft layoffs. Here we go. So you can actually watch a bit of this video, and I talk some about what happened there and stuff. But basically, it was that a whole bunch of like not great things all happened at once, and you know that's just the way things go. But yeah, it was COVID related. Sarcastic Dundee says he talks shit on C++. Don't talk shit on C++. I like C++, so. OXL says I have 34 words per minute at the moment. It's painful to use the pinky for more than Control or Shift. I think that you could probably improve on 34 words per minute. I think average is like 45, so you can probably get a little bit better, or at least get to average. But it's something you just have to practice and get better at. Jeffrey says I was going to assume COVID. Tons of layoffs right now with COVID. Yeah, that's definitely what it was about. Hey, what's up, Dunstable Ramsey? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And Mathii, or is it Math the Second? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I actually want to make this run script take the image version from this as a parameter, because right now it's substituted in here, which I don't really like that. So maybe we'll do that first. GM Knight says, "Hey, I just got an Arctic Code Vault contributor badge on GitHub. Sure you had one already." Yeah. So here's the thing about that. Anyone has done anything in the last like however many years on GitHub will have that badge. And it was not super clear from their blog post, but yeah, like mine looks like such like wacky commits. VS Code, Go, and Kubernetes. Like, oh no, the recruiters are gonna see this and be like, "Oh, we see that you've contributed to the Kubernetes. Would you like to work on our startup?" And I'm like, fuck, no, go away. But if you read more from their blog post, or like go to basically any repository, I think it's any repository that has non-zero stars. There was like a little checkmark box, and then it's ever fucking loads. That one has stars. This one does not have stars. But that's weird. But there's like a settings thing here, which is preserve this repository, and basically every single repository had this, and so any repository that existed before this date with some amount of activity the archive will include every repo with commits between the announcement at GitHub Universe on this. I actually was there for that announcement, and February 2nd, 2020. So anything that got a commit between these two dates was going to be archived. Every repo with at least 1 star and any commits from the year before that snapshot. Okay, yeah. And every repo with at least 250 stars. So all of that stuff got archived. So basically everyone who has committed something on GitHub got that badge. But when in the profile, they only show the top 3 repositories by star count. So these are the top 3 by star count that I have contributed to. So VS Code, Go, and Kubernetes. But yeah. Jumper says, has a whole UI, uses Vim in 2 terminals. I'm not actually using Vim. It's sneaky, but it's actually my own text editor called Babby. It has some like Vim-like features, so like, you know, I can quit it like Vim and stuff. But it's mostly based on Nano, and I actually type Nano in the terminal still because I haven't fixed that still. Sarcastic Dante says, I got mine for pre-commit, SPD log, and flame shot. Oh, nice. I'm gonna spell your name wrong, right? Did I? Oh, I got it right. Okay. Whew. Hey, what's up? Letters from the multiverse. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, you did get it. Pre-commit is outclassed by these 2 things, I guess. Oh yeah, 6,000 stars, 9,000 stars. Wait, are they not in order? Oh no, they are in order. I just clicked them out of order. And pre-commit. Actually, pre-commit has quite a few stars. Huh. That's pretty cool. But yeah. They'll mention several repos and then say and more. Yeah, so I mean, I'm pretty sure they just took the top 3. it's a little bit annoying that you can't click on and more. Like, I would like to have seen, you know, the ranking that they picked here. And like maybe, oh, I guess this is clickable, but anyway, it's kind of neat. It's a little like hoo-hoo sort of deal, but Jumper says, I'm not a fan of GitHub's new layout. So they fixed one of the things that I didn't like, which is that the commit text is up here again. They also fixed the... Maybe they didn't fix the thing. Where's the little tags list? Oh, the branches is over here, yeah. I guess they haven't fixed, unless maybe my thing is not... Oh yeah, you have to be in the wide response to get to the tags list here. So they fixed these things. These are the things that actually bothered me. The one that also bothers me is in the narrow mode. Code is collapsed by default. I find that really, really annoying. Because they fixed that, I think I'd stop complaining about it. But you know, it's all right, I guess. Jumper says, "Whoops, sorry, lol." Yeah, no problem. I like to show off my editor, so it's fine that you mistook it for Vim. Mumi Jamala says, "I got mine from my own GitHub page. No idea what kind of idiot has started." Nice. Hey, what's up, Kanbiko? Hello, hello. Who says HE semicolon semicolon? Nice. Wait, what did you? I guess you were off by one character, but wouldn't it be in? Where's the P? Anyway, welcome back. Good to see you again, Kamiko. Yeah, so I guess like the first thing that I want to do is gonna be unrelated to making pages. I just want to be able to pass in the image version here, and we'll probably eventually store the latest image version in some data store or something. I don't know. Raise That Something says, which VS Code theme are you using? So this isn't VS Code, but it is a VS Code theme. Well, it's actually a modified one. But you can read more about the theme that I'm using here. I'm actually using a modified version of VS Dark Plus. There's one modification. Basically, it looks like VS Dark Plus, except INI files have the headings bolded and colored, which they weren't colored before, so I changed that. Hey, what's up, Pedro Valentin? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Pedro Valentin says, hydrate. All right, well, I'll drink some water. I got you. That joke went down like a lead balloon. I know it's fine. Wait, what was the joke? Is there a joke? Did I miss it? Actually, I'm out of water, so I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you guys in a sec. But yeah, don't go anywhere. Or do. I mean, do whatever you want, chat. But I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, we're back. Raise That Something says, obviously not VS Code. So actually, funny thing is, a lot of people will stop by my stream and be like, "Wait, how did you make VS Code show up in your terminal?" Because this is, it's a very popular VS Code theme, and then I explained that it's not actually VS Code. So your joke didn't quite go down, but like a lead balloon. I got you still. Hey, what's up, the Endless River? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How have you been? Yeah, let's make it so that the image is a parameter here. Where argv repository parser.add argument image, and then got to get rid of image version everywhere, which means we need to pass a parameter around everywhere. Local c.local repo, I didn't quote this right, local repo version image. Okay, cool. Which means we need to pass it in here as well. We're gonna have all sorts of MyPy problems. Fortunately, MyPy we'll have MyPy problems, but MyPy will help us fix this, I think. Image. Cool. This image now as well. This also needs to have image. Stir. That needs to have image. This needs to have image. I wonder if this fits on one line now. Nope. This looks real ugly. Something about this looks super ugly. This needs to take image though. That needs to have image. Which means that has image. Okay, we're good there. This needs to be image, no longer this. Image. Image. I believe this is in the main function, so that's actually args.image. Args.image and args.image. Okay, let's MyPy that, see what we broke. Pre-commit run, MyPy, files, pre-commit.ci, builder, run. Curseplode! Jumper says, personally, Cobalt/Abyss are really nice themes on VS Code. Personally, nice blues everywhere. I've tried Cobalt. Can you link me Abyss? We can actually show that it works in Babby as well. If you send that to me. Hey, Michaela, thank you for the host. Welcome, welcome. Good to have you again. The Unserver says, what does ellipsis do in type annotations? That is actually a good video idea. I think I can do that one. Video idea, ellipsis and type annotations. But yeah, we have a couple ellipses in here. Let's see, is there any case other than tuple? I think it's only in tuple. Now that I think about it. Unless there's another one. Let's see. Let's see what PEP484 has to say about it. But basically, there are two forms of tuple. There is tuples, which are, fixed length and different types inside. So this would be an example of tuple int stir int. I'm typing for tuple. So this would be like int stir int, because there's an integer, there's a string, and there's an integer. So this is the fixed length format, and then there's variable length homogeneous tuples, where if you had like x equals tuple some list of values, or like y equals 1 2 3 4 5, where y is a list of int. Yeah, so like y is a list of integers, and then x is a tuple of all ints. So this form is more of the immutable sequence of unknown length of a single type, and this is fixed length and variable and like slotted types. So that's how they're different. But yeah, I can put that in a video and explain it a little bit more. But let's see if PEP44 actually mentions anything other than that for ellipses. That's just... Oh, I guess it's also used for stub functions. So this is the actual body of the function, is an ellipsis here. It's possible to declare the return type of a call without specifying the call signature by substituting a literal ellipsis for the list of arguments. Okay, I guess that's another use for it, is placeholder callable. These are all placeholders. But I think those are the only two cases. I guess three if you include placeholder bodies. I'm surprised they haven't introduced tuple yet. A type factored by union T1, T2, ... is a super type of... Okay, this is just a placeholder still. I thought there was some like special union syntax, and I was like, I don't know about that. In annotations, it's equivalent to tuple any ... A bare callable is equal to that. See? So they've talked about the tuple syntax, but not introduced it yet, which I find is interesting. In the body of function foo, the type of arguments is deduced as tuple stir ... Okay, so this is again the same variable length thing there. But they still have not talked about it. Time checker should only check function signatures and stub files. Okay, let's talk about bodies. Those are more placeholders. Huh. Tuples. Here we go. Arbitrary length homogeneous tuples. So I guess that is the only ... other than callable. But yeah. Anyway, hopefully that was helpful. Yasin Super God Bomber says, hey, what is the best approach here in this situation? I'm doing an educational website that has teacher-student admin tables in a database. When logging in or creating an instance, should I create an authentication model for each table or consider them all as users and authenticate them in one model? I'm using Django, by the way. So I probably wouldn't have separate tables for teacher, student, and ad. Well, personally, I probably wouldn't have separate tables for the three types. I would probably just have one user table and then like a role column that tells like what type they are. Now you probably will have some derived data based on each of the types that's going to be specific to that role. So maybe the separate tables is fine. Another idea that you could have, assuming, well, it's Django, so you're probably using a relational model. You could have a user table that's separate from all of those and a linking user ID from each of those three tables to a user table. But it's probably going to be easiest to have a single type of user that you log in as. That probably makes the most sense. Michaela says bear call. What bear call? Where's the bears? I don't see any bears. What are you talking about? What bears? Thank you, Yasin, for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully that advice is helpful. I actually haven't worked with Django in a while, but I think the advice applies equally to basically any framework. And you subscribed with Twitch Prime. Dang. I guess my advice was worth it. Welcome. Appreciate it. You didn't have to do that. Hey, what's up, Danielle, etc.? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Or is it Daniel E, etc.? Not sure. One of the two. Welcome to the stream. Kamiko says, ... can also be used to mean S if you're coding for the Wild West and need to send a message long distance. It's good. Jumper says this is the theme, Abyss theme, but for VS Code. Okay. So Babby supports any VS Code theme. So as long as I can find the little JSON file for it, or the TM theme file, we can actually install this theme. If we do bin download theme and pass this URL, oh, you need to give it a name. Abyss. And if we now open a file, we'll be, whoa. That's a really dark theme. Something makes me think that this is wrong. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Jumper? This is really dark. This is really hard for me to see. Maybe they have some... do they have a... Oh no, that's what it's supposed to look like. It's just really dark. I feel like the contrast is not good enough for this. But anyway, there's Babby using this other theme. I'm actually gonna put back my other theme. Because that's too hard to read, and it's gonna compress really poorly for like Twitch and YouTube. But this should put things back in place. Yassine says, appreciate your help. Awesome. Well, thank you again. Remember says, yes, I'll get a better image. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, this should put my theme back. If we reopen this now, let's see, we're back to VS Code. What are the other ones that I've tried before? Fig, Babby. Oh, we actually got the GitHub theme working. Config Babby GitHub Babby theme. So this is the GitHub. They released an official GitHub VS Code theme, which I think is actually kind of boring. But it does work with Babby. What was the other one that we did? Night Owl? This is one that somebody suggested at some point. Oh, it'd be great if I could actually spell. Night Wool. Night Owl. This is Night Owl, which I actually kind of like. This one's actually pretty nice. Some good colors, some nice subtle use of italics. Smick is the one that my friend really likes. Smick. Which has this nice shade of green and blue everywhere. What is Witch Hazel? This is the one that which Python developer made this theme? I forget, but I know that Nina uses this theme. It's kind of a nice theme. I wish the background were a little bit darker. I think that would improve the contrast a little bit. But it's kind of a cool theme. Let me put back my theme. Type in my bad password. Master Tech. Hey, how's it going, Master Tech? Welcome back. That is a lot of blue, indeed. Enzak says, what about those JavaScript-based themes? JavaScript-based themes? What do you mean JavaScript-based themes? Are there other JavaScript-based themes? The Endless River says, I'd think about killing myself after every workday with this theme. Damn, that's fucking dark. Just like this theme. Shit, dude. Kamiku says, it's a bit too dabba-dee-dabba-da for me. Blue, dabba-dee-dabba. Yeah. Oh, and Babby doesn't do the line highlight. I wonder if I could do that. That'd be kind of cool. Enzak says, there's also a Night Owl without italics. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. You can always just remove those. Jumper says, these are the two themes I use in their correct form. I prefer dark themes. Yeah, this is just like too dark for me. I've used this one before. This one seems nice. Atomic Dark Sublime Text. Atomic Dark theme. VS Code. Is it this one? No, that doesn't look right. Why does it keep giving me atom? Did it do this wrong? I want atomic. I want atomic. This one? That doesn't look like it either. Send me a link to your other theme. I want to try that one too. Shazrobot says, got off work, the #1 code formatter guy. Anything he is streaming. Life was pretty good. Welcome back, Shazrobot. Good to have you as always. Gail says, I know, right? The background looks like when you turn your brightness all the way up, and instead of it actually making things look brighter, it just looks like there's whiteness on top of actual color. Yeah. Ayla says, hi, good text editor. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah, if you want to give it a shot, you can do Bang Editor, and there's a link to it there. Ego says, something something, gaze into the theme abyss until it gazes back. Yeah. What is sarcastic Dante like? Oh, why is this loud? Why is this loud? Okay, I don't understand. Might not be suitable for stream. I opened it off stream, but it was still loud. It was still so loud. Hey, what's up, Left XYZ? Hello, hello. Who says Grovebox easy? This is Grovebox theme. VS Code GitHub. VS Code theme Grovebox. Let's see. Hard, medium, or soft? We're gonna go full hard here. Always hard? Grovebox. Hard. Oh. What's the difference between hard, medium? Let's try soft now. Let's see what soft looks like. And Grovebox soft. Oh, I see. So hard has more contrast? I like this way more than this. Kind of a nice theme though. It's got an autumnal flavor to it, I feel like. Hey, what's up, Hardlane Bakura? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, this is kind of nice. I like that. Juice says, but still uses Twitter light mode. It's true. I use Twitter light mode like a hack. Hey, what's up, BMC? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I'll just scare everyone away from my stream as I open Twitter in light mode. Yeah. Go says, I guess one Monokai theme is my theme. Monokai VS Code. Monokai Pro? Oh, wait. This one. One Monokai. This one? Made in Nigeria. Interesting. Where is the GitHubs? That's where we actually need to grab the theme from. Bin download theme 1 Monokai. This file. Ooh. That white really pops. I feel like the white could be a little bit more subtle. This is kind of nice. Green's a little bit too muted, though. Anthony reviews themes, right? Box of Ninja says, I currently use the JetBrains Dark Purple for PyCharm. I wonder if there's Dark Purple, Dark Pupple. JetBrains, VS Code. I wonder if there's a VS Code port of it. WebStorm edition. So this might be right. Dark purple. Oh no. What? Is it invalid JSON? Is that the problem? Yeah, it's fucking invalid JSON. There must be some other inline comment somewhere. Oh no, it's because there's a trailing comma. Fuck. Okay, well, we can fix this. We can fix their theme just to install it. Raw. By... Oh wait, no, that wouldn't have caused a trailing comma. Unexpected key value pair at line 107. 107. Oh, there is a trailing comma there. 386. 406. 431. Oops. Oh, that's not gonna work well. Oh, how many times am I gonna have to do this? I guess we could just leave it open and do this and put this in a watch. And then fix these one by one. Although we should do watch -n 0.1 so that it goes much faster. Oops. $633, $779. A little bit of a pain in the ass to use this theme, I guess. Is it worth it? Probably not. 1080. I fixed this one already. Expected another array element. Oh. That one there. Melky! Melky with the raid! What's up, Melky? How's it going? Check out Melky's channel if you guys have not. Melky is another programming streamer. Also in Live Coders now? You're also in Live Coders now? Is this the first time you've raided me? Welcome to the stream. And Milky's meme is to fist pow. It's good to have you. We're just fucking around with VS Code themes right now, which is totally off topic of actual stream for today. But I wanted to get this theme working. Oh, thank God. Okay. Babby config, and I'm super far behind on chat right now, so I will catch up on chat in just a second after we get this stream working, this theme working. Config Babby theme.json lnsf. Fuck. Well. Huh, it uses color as empty string. Oh no. I've broken Babby in really bad ways. Foreground. So it uses foreground empty string here. For some reason. Why does this not look purple at all? This is not purple. Why did it say this was purple? Anyway, I'm so far behind on chat. Let me try and catch up on chat right now. I don't know why it said that was called purple though. Index says, I saw a few for the one I know is Monokai Pro. It has a similar license to Sublime Text, that's probably why. Added one dog look pretty similar, makes sense. Yassine says, is it a must to create my own REST API for scalability? Let's say I want to give university access using an OAuth token. You probably don't have to have a REST API. It depends on like what your consumers need. Yeah, like a REST API is useful if you like have people that are going to consume an API, but if you don't need to produce them, then you don't need to have a REST API. RKJ says Swifty. Is there a Swifty theme? Link your themes. That'll make it easier for me. Let's see. Hard equals more contrast. Always hard. Hard, hard, hard. Some bonks for that. It's nice. Hey, what's up, Trans CSMC? Thank you. Or welcome to the stream. Sorry, I am 7 minutes behind. We're catching up, though. Shazarmut says, but if you use hard for over 4 hours, please consult a physician. That's true. Mikhail says, what's the word where old stuff is yellowish? And that's what this theme looks like. I believe the term is actually yellowed. Could be wrong there. Kimbiko says, Grefbox theme flaccid.json. Purple is a tuple of purples, yes. Skiffle Barnowl says, what is the purpose of the stream? Well, we're down a rabbit hole of nothingness right now. Due to VS Code themes, which I don't know. I don't even know how we got onto this topic. I have already forgotten. But we were trying out different themes in my text editor to see how they rendered. But yeah. Is there a purpose to anything? Says Michaela. Yikes. Yikes. It says, what the fuck? The way it copies just pew pewing out lines. Oh, when I paste it into Babby? Yeah, that's because it doesn't do incremental or background parsing. It does parsing in the foreground. So Shazarmut says, you know what would have solved this issue? Pre-commit, baby! Yeah, it's true. It's true. That's some dude's version. Yeah, it's true. The Milky Rain. Yo, what's up, Milky? We got the double shout out for Melky, that's good. Hey, what's up, Walpolia and XIDemoIX, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. And Anna Codes, how's it going? And Hungry Hungry Hippo! Welcome back, Hungry Hungry Hippo. Good to see you again. Zombie Foo says, somebody mentioned Old Yellow, did you mean ochre? That sounds like a fancy ass word. An earthy pigment containing ferric oxide, typically with clay. Is this what happens when things get old? Because they're in the paper and they oxidize? That would make sense. This is like old school painting stuff. It could be that. Pow it! We powered you! We got you! Welcome, welcome, you beast! Says Milky, indeed. Demo says, my dude's over here rocking Ubuntu. Yeah, this is Ubuntu. It's mostly stock. A couple things are changed. I've changed the font size here. I'm using my own custom text editor. And I'm using a fork of the terminal so that I can tab tear and drag tabs onto other windows. But other than that, it's pretty stock. Left says scammed. Yo, you want to get scammed even more, Left XYZ? It's worse than Ubuntu. It's Windows. Oh, you're talking about sarcastic Dante's link. It says RKJ. Oh, yeah. Boxer Ninja says, I think the lesson here is that A, don't listen to me, and B, don't use random themes from GitHub. I mean, yeah. There's a word for this, like old yellowy stuff. Sepia? I think sepia is just like the browned tinting filter thing, right? Is that like old photos are sepia tinted? I don't know. Nothing after I talked about VS Code, says Jumper. Yeah, that's true. So I guess for like a half an hour we've been fucking around with themes and stuff. Archification, haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. The purpose of life is to find the purpose of life. Hashtag deep. Demo says, what programming languages do you know? A lot of them. The ones that I would say that I know really well are Python, C++, C, Go, JavaScript, Java, Kotlin, C#, several flavors of SQL. That's probably about it. Something like those. But I also, have dabbled in probably 10 or 15 other programming languages. Jumper says, this is me in procrastination, 100%. Oops, yikes. You know English too, right? Does anyone know English? I feel like English is a mess. Can anyone actually know English? I know English reasonably well. Demo says, I hate all C languages. Well, does that mean, well, what do you like then, Demo? Because, like, I would even say that Python is a C-like language, or Ruby, or JavaScript, or, you know, Java is also a C-like language. Juice says this list is attractive. Being sarcastic, Juice? Incode says, that's a lot? Yeah, it's quite a few, although I've also been programming for, what, 18, 19 years now? So, I opened up the calendar to do subtraction. That's how fucking long it's been. Michaela bonks Juice. Nice. Archification says, Shakespeare knew English so well that he made up words and they were added to the dictionary. Makes sense. Michaela says, hating all C languages, those poor Atlanteans. Yes. Hey, what's up, Y for Life? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Or Y Fro Life. Oh, I can't read. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Demo says, Java, JavaScript, well, I mean like C, C++, and C#. I mean, if you like Java, C# is not a C-like language. C# is more like Java than anything else. But Java is also a C language. I mean, from a syntactic perspective. I guess not from like a memory management perspective. But Chesterwood says, I'm gonna go try and figure out this damn OAuth flow. I'll be lurking. Man, OAuth is such a pain, especially if it's Twitch OAuth. Twitch OAuth is such a mess. I'm actually cheating on Twitch OAuth for my bot. I can't show you, but the OAuth token, this actually comes from a third party. It was literally easier for me to give my credentials to a third party than it was for me to set up proper OAuth. So I'm using OAuth from, I want to say it's from, let's see. I think Twitch actually links this third party from their page. Twitch RC bot. Not glitch. Yeah, from TMI. So I'm actually using TMI's OAuth setup. So they generate an OAuth token for you, and then you can grab their client ID. If I remember correctly, if you source, you know, super hacker mode, here's their client ID, this Q6 bat, etc. So you just copy and paste that and use that as your client ID. That's all I'm doing, and it totally works. It's derpy, but you know, yeah. Kimika says, which human languages do you speak? I speak English. I speak a little bit of Spanish. I mean, un poquito. I used to know a handful of curse words in Italian because my grandfather would use them, whatever the opposite of sparingly is. I know a handful of German words. I know a handful of Chinese words, but I can't speak anything other than English. I could speak a little bit of Spanish for a while. Like, you know, people would think I was like super dumb, but I could like get by on Spanish. I also used to know a little bit of French, but I don't know any French anymore. But Moomy says, C is not too bad if it's used in the right place. I agree, C++ and C# are pretty terrible though. Moomy, why you gotta let me down there? If you think C is better than C++, what's going on, man? Who hurt you? Where did they touch you, Moomy? Hey, what's up, Low Dusk? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. If Shakespeare's words were out of the dictionary due to his skill, does this mean you're truly an expert programmer wherein your custom libraries gain official support? I mean, I have contributed to both Go. Well, actually, what programming languages have I contributed to? I contributed documentation to Swift. I changed the type system in Go. I've made like 50 changes to Python. I've made some changes to PyPy. What else? I've made bug reports for GCC. That comes close, right? I've made changes to SAS. Is that it? I think that's probably the languages that I've touched. Hey, what's up? J. Gill Jr. and Sivacaso. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hungry Harbor says, I like Java but hate Spring. I like C# but hate ASP. Not like this. Yeah. I mean, ASP is... it's a thing. But you can always use Razor templates. I really liked Razor templates. Assuming you're only using ASP for the templating part. Juice says, cheating on Twitch, sad face. I'm just cheating for the OAuth token because doing the actual OAuth fucking sucks. Shazarwit says, Twitch does link a third party, but I'm using, we're working on OAuth for Spotify. Oh, it's 1 hour refresh? That sucks. It's kind of a pain. But yeah, I've never used Spotify, so I've never used their API either. Michaela says, the spaghetti! Yeah, that's my people. Sarcastic says, I'm gonna assume that's a curse word, so we're just gonna leave that one there, Sarcastic Dante. Hayla says, I'm Italian, no wonder why you know curse words. Yeah. My grandfather was also, loved the guy, really miss him, but he would also like I mean, he was kind of clumsy, so he'd smash his hand with a hammer pretty often. He also like did a lot of shop work and stuff, so there were a lot of opportunities for him to either like hurt himself or break things and curse about it. So, hey, what's up, an anonymous cheerer? Thank you for the 1 bits. Who are you, Anon? Anycode says, that's the first thing that people learn in foreign languages. Hello and curse words. We've got more anonymous bits. Why you do this? Why you do this, anonymous cheerer? Oh boy, now it's just gonna Streamlabs for a while. Is this gonna be the time where I set a bits minimum so that Streamlabs isn't annoying? Kamiwa says, you changed the type system in Go. Yes, but it was entirely by accident. Let me see if I can find the if I can find the patch for it. Yes, this one. We're gonna get like 4 of these. I can press this button a couple of times. There we go. But yeah, I pressed skip. Why does the skip button not work? Anyway. So I made this issue to treat typedefs of primitive types as identical types in the same compilation unit on Go a long time ago. And this has to do with C types, where a header might redefine long as, or redefine some long type, or sorry, make a type def that points to long. So my s size t is a signed size t type. Oh, anonymous cheer, why do we do this? Why do we do this? All right, I will figure out this thing just so that we will change this. We'll make it slightly more expensive. Okay. We've set the minimum bits so that anonymous cheerer can't do 1 at a time. But yeah, so I proposed that making long and this type def the same exact Go type in the same compilation unit would be convenient. And unfortunately, so when I proposed this, it didn't work. So if 2 things had different, 2 vendors had different implementations, like one of them used the type def and the other one used long, then they wouldn't compile to the same code. And my actual use for this was in, I was writing a Python extension and wanted it to run in both PyPy and CPython. But PyPy had different headers than CPython, so PyPy had their own custom sign size type, and so I got essentially this error. And I proposed making them aliases in... why is this still open? I don't know why this is still open. Because I think I solved this, but anyway. Anonymous Cheer has bumped it up to 100. Thank you, Anonymous Cheer. Appreciate it. Are you gonna min-max until you find the actual minimum there? Also, hello, Lone Dusk. Hello, hello. But yeah, anyway, I made a patch. Why did this? Oh, this is closed. Yeah, I made a patch which treats C typedefs, simple C typedefs, as aliases, which accidentally made all equivalent C types, or all equivalent types in CGO, the same type. So rune and short are now the same type because of this change on accident. But the change was actually pretty straightforward, if I remember correctly. It ever loads. Yeah, so if there was a C-type and it's a type def, then I was able to just print out, or I was able to make a type alias, which is done in Go with equals. But it was pretty cool. And that was how I changed the type system in Go. Damon Anonymous cheer. You found the minimum really quickly. I guess that makes sense. You could just like try and tier 1 and then try and tier 2 and just increase it until you find the bottom. But thank you for the bits, Anonymous cheer. This is a weird one. I don't think I've encountered this as a streamer before. Train says, I know we're a bit after this, but I just used the dark VS Code theme. Yes, that's essentially what I use. That's what this one is. Jumper says, I dislike PHP. Oh, I forgot about PHP. I did a bunch of PHP way back in the day, which totally sounds like I did drugs, but yeah. With sockets and threading, we love classes, like Node.js for sockets and piping, but dislike the lack of classes. You can never win. There's always jobs available for ASP, likely because people don't like it. Yeah, it's the same with you know, COBOL and all those other ancient languages. There's like not enough people to work on them, or people that don't want to work on them. Bradsless says, just in Poland, the word curve means curse word. Oh, I did not know that. Shazerbat says it's Juice for sure. I think Juice would cheer publicly, right? Right? Maybe? Hey, what's up? It's Mike 2013. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How's it going, Mike? Hylas says, I think he spoke bad about Jesus when he hurted himself. Juice has used 10 bits and said plu. What is the plu?
Kai.
And then plu, and then kai, and then da, and then d. What is plu, kai, da, d? What?
Da.
What are you trying to spell? Oh. Plushy daddy. I see it now. I am the plushy daddy. That's me. Miguel says, did you do any work today? We were partway through doing some work, I think. We were running MyPy? Yeah, we were running MyPy. We were fixing these function signatures. Kimbigo says, lol, right? Hey, what's up, Jugmag? Hello, hello. Oh, my bang today is wrong. Let me fix that. Set today, working on results pages for pre-commit.ci. Hardline Bakura says, went to Amsterdam and did PHP at a party. It's true. Hey, what's up, Ben Ganahan? Hello, hello, welcome back. Mumi says, I'd judge you less if you had done drugs instead of PHP. Yikes. Well, I guess I'll consider myself judged then. Artification says, I mainly code in Rust and I use Dark Solarized and NeoVim. Come at me. I'm completely fine that you're using NeoVim. I have no problems with that. Boxa Ninja says, you would have been better off if you did do drugs rather. Okay, yeah, Mumi and Boxa Ninjas both agree about the same thing. I'm currently doing some PHP. Yikes. Neil says, what? She called you daddy, the father of plushies. Alright, Michaela. Everyone bonked Michaela. Let's see Picasso says, I just want to say hello. I'm so glad I came across this channel. Well, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you appreciate the content today. Boss, your work is due today. Did you finish it? Anthony, not like this. Fortunately, I don't have a boss right now, so I can do whatever the fuck I want. Isla says, more dangerous drugs are colors for web developers. Oh, colors. I don't want to deal with colors. Doctor says, cynical chat today. Yes. Is there a link for the music playing? Yes. I believe if you do bang playlist, it will... Oh. I don't have a command for that. Alright, let me get the command for that. Anthony writes code, Twitch chatbot. We will add a command for the playlist. I could have sworn that I had one, but I guess I did not. Playlist. Here we go. Is the name of the playlist. We do that and we restart the bot, then we should be able to playlist. Yes. Okay. Cool. I don't have a way to link you to the particular part of the playlist yet, unfortunately. So that will have to do. And playlist command. Line is too long. Of course. 264. Because we got a URL in that line. I wish I could make PyFlakes, or not PyFlakes, Pycode style. I could probably make Pycode style better here. Like Pycode style should just say like, oh, there's a token that looks like a URL that's longer than the line, so it's not possible to be the wrong the wrong number. Wait, what the fuck? Did I break set today? You guys are not supposed to be able to run that command. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess we have something to fix then. You guys are not supposed to be able to run that command. Shit. Fuck. Anyway, let's fix that. Juice says, I thought I was the boss. Oh, I guess that's true. I guess Juice is the boss. True. RKJ, set today being Plushy Daddy. How did I fuck this up? I could have sworn that this one is a secret command that only I can run. Hey, what's up, Rallypad? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream while everyone tries to fuck with my chat. Set today, everybody bonking Makila again. Hey, what's up, Nulksor? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So the interesting thing is, there's actually a database here. So every time you guys are running set today, it's actually updating this database and timestamping it. So you can see that all of the times that you guys are setting it. Wait, who said it to never catching up on chat? Who is that? I missed that one. Oh, RKJ did that. Yeah, so these all show up here. It used to work. It used to be a problem, so I don't know what happened there. Demo says, what does that command do? It sets a little text so that when you do bang today, you can get it back. Oh, fuck. Actually, I think I gotta kill this. I just thought of a way that you guys can super break stuff. Unless this is escaped. No, it's not escaped. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we gotta stop the bot for a second. Let me restart the bot after I do this. Otherwise, you guys could have gotten my creds. You could have got my creds, but you didn't. You guys were not quick enough there. But yeah, if you would have done like bang set today, curly brace config, curly brace, and then done today, you could have gotten my creds. Oh, that's actually double escaping. Okay, maybe this was fine. Maybe there wasn't a problem.
How does it feel when chat messes with your bot and then clips it in and watches it once a week in their streams?
Hey, this wasn't that bad, Juice. At least I didn't, like, leak my full credentials. So where's the escaping happening here? Message response. Because we're double escaping somehow. Message format equals await get today. Oh wait, this is the one that I was supposed to escape. What is the one that I just escaped? Oh, we escaped it sending it into the database? This is not what we want. We want to escape it coming out of the database. Let's try that again. We haven't fixed the actual permission part yet. I don't know why it's double escaped. Like, what is up with this? Class message response. It should get the format, and then it should call format here. So this should undo it there. Okay, but let's fix the permissions so that you guys can stop being. Oh, there's literally no permissions here. I'm just a dummy. Like, did I like not think people were gonna do this? Like, there's no guard here at all. I totally just forgot the guard. Also, I'm so far behind on chat now because you guys are just messing with me. So do I have to actually read any of this? Set today 48-hour stream. That's not happening. I'm playing Minecraft. I'm in the future. Exit pren. Test your code before you push it. I mean, I do test it before I push it. This has been broken for a really fucking long time, though. Hey, what's up, Reset? Mr. Sutton Man? Hello. It says, first time here. Well, welcome to the stream. It's good to have you. Set today, select star from whatever. G says, oh, do tell. Drop table babby. Drop database. Man, you guys are trying hard. Lumi is the closest with the print API key. I'm actually not sure how it's escaping properly. There's something somewhere escaping stuff, so I gotta figure out what's going on with that. Michaela says, "Let us touch your creds, senpai." Phrasing. Interested. Oh, why did it remove the double quotes there? That is concerning. That is concerning. There might actually be a problem here. Hey, what's up, Mr. Sutton Man? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I do have the concern. Oh, you did bang today instead of bang set today. I see. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I see you. Erimer says, what are your best programming hours during the day, meaning the most productive? So when I had a job, my best programming time was in the morning, between like 9-ish a.m. or like, no, sorry, like 7-ish a.m. to like 10 or 11. And that's usually because there was nobody around and I can just do whatever I need to do. But I don't know, I'm pretty productive at like most hours, except when I'm hungry or when I feel sick, which right now both of those things are kind of true. Hey, what's up, Rally Pat? Hello, hello. Think it's still broke, mate? Yeah, it's still broken. Summersoft says, joined instant Michaela Bong just as it should be, indeed. Michaela says, I was reading about async await. Man, why did I like derp at reading that? Yesterday, I'm more confused now than before when I knew nothing. Yeah, async await is pretty confusing. Some people setting it to null. Sudo apt remove Python. So, joke's on you, Rally Pat. Sudo apt remove Python. I don't actually have Python installed. There's no Python installed. It's yeah, it's not installed, so joke's on you, buddy. J Gill Jr. says, what do you usually work on? I usually work on Python open source stuff. This is Go. So some of the stuff that I created or work on, I created this framework called pre-commit, which is a Git hooks and linter code formatter framework thing. The basic idea being you set up a config file and it knows how to install these tools at this version. This is the install part. It also knows how to run them against files that you have and integrate with Git hooks. And I also work on tools like PyTest, Tox, Flake8, PyFlakes, other code formatters and linters. So I usually work on stuff like that. Set today, subscribe to Juicebox Hero. Nice. Set today, yesterday, says DeToys. Funnier says, looks at Bobby tables. I don't think there's a I don't think there's any SQL injection. I'm pretty sure there's no SQL injection, you know. Pretty sure there's no SQL injection. Hey, what's up, near me? Sorry if I mispronounced that, but welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. It's your paranoia escaping subconsciously, yes. Pioneer says, oh, you did bang today. Oh, I see. Raising, right? There are 11 types of people, those who understand Roman numerals and those that don't. Oh, groan. Miguel says, anything afternoon sucks. Yeah. Miguel says, eat foods? What are we bonking me for, Rollers? What did I do? That I didn't bang today? I didn't say that. Someone else said that. I just repeated it in chat. Async await. Yes. A programmer crashes a car at the bottom of a hill. A bystander asks what happened. He says, no idea. Let's push it back up and try again. Demo says, how are you running the bot then? It's in my terminal right here. This is the bot. I literally run Python 3 and then run the bot. The reason I don't have the Python packages installed is because I have Python 2 and Python 3 installed. It's a little bit sneaky. It's a little bit sneaky. Hey, what's up, Codephobia? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you. You're a YouTuber streamer, right? Your name sounds familiar. Codephobia. Or at least I've heard that before. Oh yeah, you do stream. Nice. We'll check out their channel. Bang SO Codephobia. Do I know you from YouTube? Where do I know you from? I swear I've heard of you before.
Happy 16 months, Dad Ludwig Peepaw. Happy Anthem 63 Python.
Bible Fox, thank you for the resub. It's 16 months. Holy shit! It feels like just yesterday that it was 12 months, but really appreciate your loyalty there, Mindful Fox, and it's always good to have you. 16 months, Dad. Did you catch the part earlier in the stream, Mindful Fox, where I was the plushie daddy? Because I guess I'm the plushie daddy. Okay, we gotta actually fix the bot now. Jugmike says, I just got pre-committed to the good old Zope universe today. Nice! That's a big chunk of repositories right there, but I appreciate you doing that. That's pretty cool. Anthony's bot, man, lots of bot spam today. we'll fix the bot and then people will stop spamming. Somebody suggested that I add another command that chat can do, which I guess we could do that. Today is yesterday's tomorrow. Bang Juicebox Hero. Juice be sip. Wait, is my bot sub to you? How does my bot... Wait. How did my... Is my bot sub to you, Juice? Did somebody gift my bot a sub to Juicebox Hero? Is that what happened? I didn't get a notification for it. Okay. Let's make it so what? Admins can do this? This one. Set today. Alright, well, we've ruined the fun for you guys. We've ruined the fun. We have ruined the set today fun. I'm sorry, chat. It was fun while it lasted, though. But wait, who gifted? Did you gift my bot a sub to your channel? Is that what happened, Juice? You should still let mods do it? Yeah, mods can still do it, so Juice and Sarcastic Dante can still do it. Hey, what's up? It's always Fitz. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you. Juice, you set the status, then you say be back later for meetings. All right. Rally Pat says it was fun while it lasted. Yes. Okay. Let's get add. I guess we can show what everyone set first, so we can see all of these things here. Select star from today. You can see all of these things that people set here. Being plushy daddy. Yes, but I'm still not sure why the escaping worked the way it did. I want to figure that out. Because I don't think it should have escaped. Set today. Because it just inserts the value verbatim here. Oh, we escape here. Okay. Then we don't need to escape here. Cool. Alright, that makes sense. Git add dash p, no, yes. Limit set today to mods. That was pretty fun though. Ruining the fun of 115 bureaus. All right, do you guys want me to add a command that you guys can set in chat, like you know, last one wins sort of chat thing? We could do that. That could be fun. That way you guys can still have your own fun commands until you get my chatbot banned for doing for saying nasty things. All right, as long as you guys promise not to get my bot banned. What do you guys want the command to be called? Let's see. Call it Hunger Games, says Rally Pat. Lush says yes. Michaela says think. Kimiko says, imagine having hundreds of people watching you code. I get nervous watching myself code. Oh yeah, we do have 108 people here today. That's quite a few. D-Toys says, you can do this with voting kinda. That way, more submitted commands with Prey. Use Babbies to do the commands. Ooh. I wonder how we could do that. That would be kind of cool. Let's see. Let me try and make a... Is that under affiliate? Where are channel points even? Community? Channel points, here we go. Manage rewards. Add a new custom reward. Test. Let's see, enter an amount, say 200, 200. And a blurb test. I just want to know whether this will show up in my bot or not. Hey, what's up, Turbo, Saif, and D-Toys? Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Required viewer trust to enter text. What does that mean? Oh, require viewer to enter text. Why did I read the word trust? Where did the word trust come from? Require text. That seems good. Okay, so let's create that channel point reward. Let's see if I use this, if that will show up in my bot. So let me see if we get anything special for the message. There's a chance that we won't get anything special for the message, and then we won't be able to do this. But I kind of want to see where is the part where we actually do this here. Okay, so we need to continue through a bunch of these. Oh, that's gonna be too many. If message match, here we go. That'll be a better one. Okay, so let's do this. Alright. Badges, premium, color, custom reward ID. Hey, we do get this in chat. We do get this in chat. That's fucking cool. Alright then, I guess we can do this. So let's change this. What are we gonna call this thing? Reward name set. what do we want to call this? What do we want to call the channel reward? This is such a fucking silly thing too. Let's quit this. Alice says, Anthony will never be able to catch up with the chat. No, I'm caught up right now. Bang, set streamer, not afraid of chat. What do we want to call this? Set fanfare? I don't know. Gamer says, do all developers choose this type of split keyword? No, not very many do. This is kind of me being special, different, or whatever. How about like MOTD, like message of the day? Chat can set the message of the day in the chat bot. It can be retrieved with bang MOTD. How many channel points should I give it for that? 500? Sure, 500. That seems fine. And we will summary view. Where is the icon? Can I change the icon? Oh, I can upload an icon. We're just gonna leave the default icon. Okay, so we're gonna do that for now. I assume it's gonna be this same badge reward ID that we have here. Hey, what's up, Sal Gamer? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. Let's see. Here, all the best devs have split keywords, says Kanbiko. Jedi level 5 or something? I don't know. I mean, it's a thing. Cut it with a hot knife, it's cake. Oh no, my keyboard is cake. 500 channel points just to steal your credentials, not worth. Should I set it lower than that? What should I set it to? You need to make it so you can't call it so that's fair. We'll be on an honor system that I won't call it. We'll set it to 250. and we'll see how often people use it. If people use it a ton, then we'll bump up the value there. You need to make it so you can't call. Yeah. Okay, so all right, how are we going to do this? We're gonna have a handler for. Oh, we need not handle message. We need handle thing. Do we have generic non-message handlers? Handle message. Where's the ping one? I know that one. No, that's the ping one. Oh, okay. So here's the handler for command. So we need to add another handler for rewards. I went to a street. The houses were numbered 8K, 16K, 32K, etc., etc. It was a trip down memory lane. Groan. Stargamer says, "Cool channel, thanks. I'm glad you think it's cool." I was playing with the ping command. Ping pong 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 does pong 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 ping pong. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, so I somehow need to make a handler that matches that particular badge, but I don't think we have a way to do that yet. This is our handler loop. We're just doing regular expression matching. So that's kind of shitty. Alice says, "Why does the bot go strange? What's wrong with the bot?" What do you mean, go strange? Hey, what's up, Avalbona? Hello, welcome back. Good to see you. The bot was strange earlier because I forgot to put permissions on things, and so it chat was abusing things. With ping pong. Why did it turn into pong pong? Oh, because it just replaces ping with pong, I think. Oh, no, it just grabs everything after it and replaces the first one with pong. So you get pong ping pong. Sarcastic Danny says, what was again? Oh, we fixed the whispering command, Sarcastic Dante, because I forget who it was. Geotrek probably was abusing it to message Pokimane, and I was like, nope, that's the end of this one. You guys had your fun. Now it's gone. But yeah, that was a fun one. Okay, let me grab this so we can see this again. Oh, this is gonna be tricky to do. Maybe we'll make another set of rewards here. We'll make another loop here for badges. Yeah, we can do that. Let's see. Oh, but I can't use my nice for else loop anymore if I do that. Let's see. If what is the regex? If message match, message re dot match. I know I should use the walrus here. No, fuck walrus. We don't need walrus here. Oh, actually we have message match already. Let's see. If message match. Normal handlers, and then badge handlers. Let's see, our channel point handlers. actually, let's see, if we have that, we should also have info. If info. If custom reward ID in info. This ping pong stuff sounds like Kyaru. I don't know what that is. A song, and I hate that I made that association. Oh no. Sarcastic Dante says, "Did she reply though? I don't know. I haven't checked my DMs for my bot. Probably not though." D-Toys says, "What do you think, by the way, about the Walrus? I heard that it made huge debates in the Python core dev community." I can sum that up with a Flake 8 plugin that I've written for Flake 8 Walrus, or for Flake 8 called Flake 8 Walrus, and you can check out this plugin here. RKJ says, "Still not using the Walrus in the year of our Lord 2020." Yes. It only does ping pong for capital ping, I think. It was like the first command that we wrote just to like see if stuff happened. Let's see. If info custom reward ID in points handlers points handlers. Wait, how did this work? Oh, and we can do the same thing. Coro equals handle response config message match points handlers info custom reward ID. If reward I guess we could do this a different way. Equals points handlers dot get. Ugh, this code is gross. Damn, that was sure that was gonna work. Oh, the bot never responds to itself. So yeah, doesn't do that. Fruit Cup says, "Hey, I've got a question. Do you know how to make it where a Visual Studio?" What? I don't understand your question, Fruit Cup. Could you try that again with different words, maybe? Michaela says your sub ran out. I guess you'll have to resub. Michaela says also Discord is down. Is it? Oh, it is down. Oh, it's the worst is that it's down and it shows that I have 4 unread messages, so I will never know what those messages are. Sarcastic Dante says Nani? Indeed. Hannah says US layout is awesome. On IT, I have to press a combination of 3 buttons to do a curly bracket and a combination of 2 to do a /. Ooh, yikes. Fruitcup says, "Sorry, my English is not that good." Oh, I mean, maybe post it in your native language, and then I could translate using like Google Translate. Maybe that'll work. Oops. Yeah, so we'll do that. handler, handler, writer, log writer, quiet equals quiet. That doesn't fit. Loop dot create task co-row. And we can simplify this, right? I mean, we could simplify this with Vulgars, but we're not gonna do that. Yeah. So let's try that. Detoy says, do you think that all new Python features are hugely influenced by hyped/growing data science community and Jupyter fans? I don't think so, so to speak. At least not in Python. Armor says, are you into app development? What do you think of Flutter? I've done a couple of applications, but not in a very long time. I think Flutter seems cool, but also I feel like, I don't know. I'd rather just write a native app. Applebonus says, stop apologizing for bad English. We're all doing an effort to convey with others. That's true. We're all just trying to communicate. Broadcasting Johnny says, sorry, my JavaScript is not so good. Yeah. Pickup says, okay, so I made a little thing in Visual Studio and I forgot to add my login page first. So whenever you open it, it takes you straight to my thing without you having to log in. So how would I make my login page come first without starting all over? It probably just means that you want to change how your routes work, and you could also check if the user is logged in and redirect them to log in. I think that's probably how you want to do that. That'd be how I would design something like that. Hyla says, I think everyone here who's not from a native English country makes errors. Even those of us that are native English speakers make errors all the time. So it's not just that. Okay, so let's add points handlers. Normal handlers. Channel point handlers. Yes. Oh, but if someone's channel point matches, so we actually need to do the channel points first. If message match and can I just use continue somewhere? Yeah, we can just use continue. Yeah, we can just continue. If custom reward ID in infos. Should I just copy and paste this code? Continue. That way we can keep all this code the same. Because that'll just send us to the next loop. All right, cool. That's actually not so bad. Pep 622. I'm kind of not sold on 622 personally. Mr. Teacher Hashinshin says, hey, I'm a noob. I'm trying to learn an API using a video, and the video told me to import a file using import write consts as const, but I get an error and have to use import write const instead. I don't get it. What's the error that you get? You can paste links in the chat, so you can always set up, you can paste bin or whatever. But the full error message would be helpful there. Hyla says, I know even natives make big errors. For example, boomers in my country use use single quotes. Use dot as a substitution for everything? Oh, I see. Emmer says, do you sometimes only code to have your day be green on GitHub calendar, or are you just enjoying it so much? I used to do that. I used to code just for squares back when there was a streak on GitHub, but they got rid of streaks, so I've stopped like doing it just to fill stuff out. Traceback riot.a name error riot is not defined. Oh, is A supposed to be your constant there? So you'll want to change your module name to, so the module name has to match the thing that you're looking up. So they have to have the same name there. You didn't misclick. Yeah, it's all good. We all make mistakes. Okay, so let's see, infos, custom reward, ID. Yeah, that seems fine. Kibigo says they probably realized the perf issues with too many green bathroom tiles and nobody can load Anthony Wright's code's GitHub page. It's true. History teacher says, I was sitting on that for 2 hours. Nice. Well, I'm glad I can help you out there. Hylas says, we all make mistakes. Such an encouraging message. I mean, you guys saw my mistake earlier where literally everyone in my chat could fuck with me. Cloudflare is down? Really? That would be bad. Because that would mean pre-commit is down. Fuck. Holy shit. The internet is going to crawl to its knees right now. Holy fucking shit. Oh man. If Cloudflare is down, so much of the internet is fucked right now. Everything is fucked right now. I am thoroughly amazed that Twitch is still up. Like, I don't know how you guys are possibly watching me if Cloudflare is down. Like, that's actually kind of amazing. Like, so much of the internet is fucked right now. Like, Yelp is fucked. Lyft is fucked. Discord is fucked. All of my websites are fucked. Is GitHub up? Is Twitter up? I mean, Twitter's probably big enough that they don't use Cloudflare. I guess GitHub is up. I guess Twitter is up. I'm actually like kind of amazed that anything is up right now. DumDF Coding says pre-commit.com is working for me in the UK. Okay, maybe it's a localized outage then. Or maybe you have cached DNS. Because it should just be a DNS forwarding thing. It's probably fine until you refresh the stream. Don't refresh, guys. Stay on my stream forever. Vexkiller says, wait, why? So a lot of companies use Cloudflare as a proxy to either give them free SSL, which is what I use it for, or to do denial of service protection. And it's like a huge thing there. So they decrypt like, it's something like 25% of internet traffic goes through Cloudflare. Using Cloudflare DNS is just fine. Huh, I wonder why this didn't load for me then. Maybe it's because it's trying it's trying HPS. Huh. Well, I don't know. A bunch of people are saying that pre-commit is working, so I guess that seems fine then, maybe. Apparently it's causing GitHub Actions to fail. What a fucking mess. Cloudflare has a lot of power, yes they do. Hey, what's up, MSR? Hello, hello. Okay, let's make these points handlers. Handle message. Why is DT stir way the fuck down here? What is this supposed to be? Oh, that's for the output thing there. Let's see. What is this? Points handlers? Is that what I called it? Def points handler. Channel points handler. Reward ID stir. Callable. Callable what? Callable match stir? What is the function signature for handle message? Callback, callback. Oh, perfect. We made a thing for that. Callable, callback, callback. Def channel points handler decorator. Return, let's see, points, handlers, reward, ID equals funk. Turn funk. Fancy ass decorator. For this thing here. Def chat special thing. Let's just do something. Return message response. You spent channel points, lol. And see how that works. Points handlers equals this. Flake this. Infos is not defined. Oh, because it's info. Why did I think it was infos? It's like, that's a weird variable name. 779. Reward ID is not defined. I have to sneeze. I'm actually amazed that I noticed that I was going to sneeze fast enough to mute myself. That's a new one. Shark Fuse says, context for the code, please. We're working on a bot right now, which is my chat bot. So all this output here comes from my chat bots, and we're adding a special command so that chat can fuck with the bot. Because I had an error earlier where my my message where I'm supposed to be able to like set what thing I'm working on, everyone in chat could do that. So we're I took that away, but we're gonna give chat something where they can actually set something. Reward ID. Juice says, I don't know how to contact you without Discord. I'm coming over with soup and grilled cheese, an emergency, and tea. Okay, Juice. I guess I'll see you in a bit. Juice is just gonna take care of my sick ass. Okay, but let me catch up on chat, because that was basically premium chat with adding me. It's not the best time to order some food yet. Probably not. 9x19mm says, it's crazy AWS and stuff like Cloudflare isn't more regulated when you consider the damages by going offline for a few hours. That's kind of fair. Jumper says, it'll be interesting to find out why it went down. Wouldn't surprise me if it was a 2020 hack event. Have you seen the recent Twitter event? Yes, I have seen the recent Twitter event. Michaela says, ass decorator. What? Industries like this require a huge amount of capital to work, so not everyone can jump in this kind of things. Oh, Streamlabs is down right now. I see. So I'm not getting follow notifications. So let me read the follow notifications from the Twitch dashboard instead. Sorry you guys aren't going to get the overlay either. But thank you, Dev Marin and ShortFuse69 and Bag of Fire. Thank you all for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Sorry we don't have overlays. That's apparently hosted on Cloudflare. Lol. Darth Park says, bless you, King. Party stream. I think it's a US problem. That would make sense. Kamiko says, I didn't know that Twitch delivers. Apparently they do. Oh, I did say fancy ass decorator. Oh, that's fair. 9x19 says I was gonna order from DoorDash. That probably seems like a bad idea. Party with juice bonks. Yes. Let's see. If we flagate this now, is it good? Okay, we're gonna restart the bot and see what happens. None-type is not callable. Shit. What do you mean none-type is not callable? Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, I see. Return channel points handler decorator. Why are you in verbose mode? Why are you in verbose mode? If if not quiet. Let's try this again. You got your Emacs in there, sarcastic Dante. Okay, let's see if we reward. Unhandled type error. Missing one positional argument. Right. Chat special thing. Flush says Cloudflare is back for me too. Oh, pre-commit.com loaded, so yeah, I guess that makes sense. Beaker says unhandled type error C logs. Yeah. You're trying to be my bot. I see you. Unhandled key error. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, this is different than the other thing. Why do I have two different regexes for this? I see. I see. So let's make this also go into the thing up here, because it's not currently handled there. Info user. This is info. This is user. And this is channel. And then we have message at the end. Which is actually buggy. Actually buggy. Amazing. And then how does this get used? Info. Message match. Message. Okay, let's try that now. Syntax error. Fuck. Unterminated character set. Okay, does this still work? No. No such group. You guys are free for a sec. Okay, so that looks like it's fixed. And if we do the channel point redeem, you spent channel points, lol. Wait, why did it show up twice? Oh wait, this is my previous message. Okay, cool. So that means that thing is working. But I have to pee, so I'm going to be right back. I will see you guys in a sec. And yeah, we'll finish this when I get back. Alright, we're back. Hello, hello. How's it going? Is the overlay back? I don't... Oh, boy. Apparently redeeming channel points shows up in my Twitch feed. So that's a little bit annoying. Don't read chat, says chat. Well, I'm about to read chat. What do I not want to see here? Holy fuck, why have I missed so much chat? Peli Pally says, what's everyone's story here? Where your code suspiciously worked for the first time you ran it today? Successfully queried something from MS SQL using Golang with AD authentication. It worked the first time. That's amazing. Yeah, that like never happens. I guess it happens occasionally. It happens sometimes for me, not very often though. As you can see from the like 5 times it took me to get things happening. Let's see. Redirected to US server. The whole internet is built on regexes, so whatever. That's true, D-Toys. Shazrot says, what the hell is happening? Is the whole world's internet down? A lot of stuff in the US apparently is down. D-Toys says, why does my bot always respond to my messages with the Python messages? Probably because you talk in passive voice and use the word think a lot. So that's why it replies to your message. Oh, does Cloudflare status have a public outage for this? Wow, basically all of their US, oh, some remote ones as well. Interesting. Quick People hack his bot again. Michaela said he's getting ready for juice bunks. No, I was really just peeing. That's it. Really just peeing. Can be good with the gang bonk. I could have said he's saving his pee for juice bonks, but I didn't say that. What? What? Michaela, no. He can read it even if I timeout / ban you. It's true. It's true. I read chat. I read it, guys. There it is. Good Phobia says rip. It happened, yeah. Hey, what's up, the Gel Mega? Hello, hello. I don't know why I keep coming back to your stream since I'm always by the language. You're always angry with the language that I choose. It's true. I warned you not to read chat. I was gonna read chat anyway. You guys can't stop me. You can't tell me what to do. I'll read my chat. Okay, so let's implement this. How did this work before? When did I create this table? We basically want the same thing as this. Yeah, like I don't know when I ever created this table. Oh, ensure table exists. Okay. I see. I see. Okay, let's move the channel point stuff up. To here as well. And then we can move this one to where today is, so that we can have this right nearby. Hyla says, nutritionist, drink your water. Anthony, I read my chat. Jumper says, wait, what? I didn't know Python had async await. Yes, it's new in Python 3.7? 3.6? 3.7? Somewhere around there? Vex Killer says, so Cloudflare is a proxy. I'm so confused. Yes, it's proxy, also DNS server, and a registrar. And yeah, basically all those things. Hungry Hungerber says, somebody tell me why I was in the kitchen and heard something about pee and juice bunks. It's Michaela's fault. It's Michaela's fault. Okay, so where is set today? Oh, I probably orphaned it from its actual code. Yeah, I did. I should put that here. So we need handle message motd, def command motd. Turn motd response match. Hey, what's up, Jennikin? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I guess Streamlabs is working again, so that's cool. Oh yeah, it's also CDN, which JB Pratt suggested as well. Yes, I forgot about their CDN part. That's actually probably the most important part. Wait until they decided to wait till JavaScript will pass all hustle with callback hells, then catch mess and jumps right to async await. Yeah, it's true. I think async await is kind of garbage in Python also. Miguel says, how could any of us possibly tell him why he was in the kitchen? I mean, I did go to the kitchen to fill up my water as well. How did you know I was in the kitchen? What? Kovoya says, funny, I was just talking about large outages on stream today. Interesting. It is quite the coincidence. Quite the coincidence. Is it your fault, Codephobia? Did you take down Cloudflare? Some intern probably tripped over the cables. I hope it's not one cable. RKJ says, gotta head off. Catch you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around in the future. Surprisingly, GitHub isn't down this time. It's true. Codephobia says I may have tripped over a cable. RIP. Okay. MOTD response. So we'll have MOTD response, which will work the same as this one. Probably. So get MOTD. A little bit of copy paste. Okay, that should be fine. Chat special thing, set MOTD. That's what this will be called. And we need a turn set MOTD with match. And we'll need a set MOTD thingy thing. Where is the... There we go. We'll copy pasta that one. Great if I could hit the right keys. Set MOTD response. Updated. Thanks for spending your points. And we will do set MOTD. And we actually want to set the user as well. So let's see. Self.user. Yeah, it is user. Okay, cool. Because I want to record like which user set this. Why do we have message here? We actually don't need message at all. Because the full message will go into the database. Right? Set MOTD response. Okay, so now I think we just need to implement set MOTD and get MOTD. async def set motd, which is database, which is what? What is your type? Tell me your type. AIO SQLite.connection. And then user stir message stir to none? Question mark? Async def get motd. To stir. And then, God, I hate this. I hate so much about this. Ensure, this should be ensure today table exists. And we'll do something else for the other one. Discord is back for me too. Ah yes, it is indeed back for me as well. Indeed. Cool. Cool. The internet is fixed. Discord's up. Sundriel says Cloudflare was down. Yes, it was down, or at least partially down. Discard is the right word for that program. No offense. Oh, discard. Yeah. For Discord. SA McClay says I was using Cloudflare DNS and it wasn't working. Switched to Google and it was fine. Yeah, there bunch of stuff was down, including that. Hey, what's up, Sauron04? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Cool. Cool. Let's actually just copy this code down below to here. Then we'll stick in the chunks that we need. Ensure MOTD table exists. Insert into MOTD user message points. So I actually want to record how many points it costs, because then we could make like a cool leaderboard thing out of this. User message, and right now it's 250 points. We'll change the points later, probably. User message. Actually, we'll just substitute it in here. Wait, this is actually probably fits on one line now. Again. Even save one more line by doing this. Okay, so that's set MOTD, and then we want to do get MOTD. We need to find this ensure MOTD table exists thing. Select message from MOT, order by row ID descending limit 1. Nothing? So before it's ever been set, we'll get that as a response. Oops, I pressed page up. And so now we just need to define this function. Ensure. So we just need this here. Ensure MOTD table exists. Create table if none exists, MOTD. We have user text not null, message text not null, and points int not null. Let's see what Flagate has to say about that. 39, F string is missing placeholders. Yes, why are you an F string? I actually added that lint to Flagate, so that's me. 423. Oh. Why? Oh. Just fix that with command. Let's see what MyPy has to say about this. This might be one of those times where it just fucking works, guys. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Jumper says, I miss when Skype, Spotify, and others were actual apps, not Electron wrappers. Yeah. Kavika says, but if you think about it, all apps are Electron wrappers. Kind of. Soon the operating system will be Electron wrap. There's actually an not AMD. There's an ARM. There's a new ARM opcode that emulates JavaScript floats, just because JavaScript. Okay. Well, it doesn't crash on startup. If we do bang MOTD, it says nothing. That's good. If we do this to set it, and then we do bang MOTD, cool. All right, chat. There is now a sneaky command that you guys can set with channel points. Although this message is not good enough. Updated. I wish it highlighted it in chat. That would be cool too. Maybe we can highlight it over here. Codephobia has immediately set it to poop. MOTD updated. Thanks for spending points. Sure. Of course. Perfect. Hey, what's up, Mr. King? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. Yeah, but now if we look at our database here, you can see that I set it once to test and Codephobia sent it once to poop. And both of you have spent 250 channel points on that. Anyway, this is fun. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Let's do the highlighting thing so that it shows up in the description here. If that, or I guess we can do elif custom reward ID in info. We'll pick some other color for that. What base are these in? Base 10? Color picker. Let's pick like a bluish color, but like a darkish blue. Like that? Oh, did I break the bot? Oh, you wanted it to be recursive bonks. I see. I see what you got there. I see what you guys are trying to do. Sneaky, sneaky. X 29.91 130. $29.91 130. Okay, let's try this again. Hey, MSR, thank you for resubscribing with Twitch Prime. 2 months of subbage. Appreciate it. Okay, what is going on right now? Can somebody spend their channel points on this? Because I want to see whether it highlights or not. Hey, what's up, Lassault? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. If it does it wrong, then I will okay, cool. It works. Cool. Cool. I like that. That seems good. Hylas says, set it to 10 points. We're poor. And then Zach says, no. Okay, I like this terrible thing that we've done. No, yes. dash m add MOTD and set MOTD channel point reward. That's cool. I didn't know that you could actually get channel point rewards in chat in IRC, but that's pretty good. Hit push origin head. Codephobia says, I didn't see if my MOTD made an infinite loop, so the bot never replies to itself, so it would never loop. And yeah, so it wouldn't happen. Oh, what is the badge that you have? TwitchCon 2019. Oh, I guess I don't have that one displayed in the terminal. Michaela says Anthony talks to himself, but his bot doesn't. It's true. It's true. I do talk to myself quite a bunch. I guess that's what streaming is, right? It's just me sitting here talking to myself, but actually also you guys. But yeah. But yeah, cool. Dun, dun, dun. Man, the problem is the actual Twitch chat doesn't show me when you guys are updating the MOTD, so yeah. John Manga says, where is the program in a decent language reward for the channel point? I mean, if you donate, maybe I'll work on a decent language. Detoy says we need another bot that will reply to the messages from the first bot. Yeah, you'd need multiple bots, which yeah. Flush set that MOTD to MOTD updated. Thanks for spending points. The Dominic says, I'll donate -$1. I'm not gonna pay you to write other programming language. JS is garbage. Drop table today, says Zebra Jack. I think it's impervious to SQL injection. I hope. But you can read the code too if you want to like double check the code before you spend your points on it. Hylas says, I need points. I want points. Have you spent all your points, Hylas? How do you not? Surely you have enough points unless you spent it. Hey, you haven't spent points. What? You should have plenty of points. Okay. You only have. How do you only have 90 points? Did you redeem something else and I missed it? Also, I love how fucking useless my Twitch dashboard is now because we just get bang set MOTD. Hey Serpicore, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Fortunately, I actually use Streamlabs to watch recent events instead of my Twitch dashboard. But yeah, it works well enough. I don't know why I have Kirby in my head now, but that's the thing now. Sarcastic Dante has said hello. Detoy says, capitalist world, obey. Yes. I'm glad I can look over here and see at a glance which ones are updating the MOTD. I wish they displayed in Twitch chat better though. But what are you gonna do? Just suspend them because I had nothing to do. Box of Ninja says, bang Anthony flex. Are you trying to get me to flex here? I don't actually have that many muscles, so most of my like actual flex would be my leg muscles because I have fucking tree trunks for legs. Master Tech says, back to pre-commit.ci. I guess we could see. Oh, because I didn't even actually finish that. Let's actually get this working, and then we'll see what happens. Pre-commit. Yeah, close some of these tabs. I'm gonna at least get my pie resolving here. But I've been streaming for 3 hours, and so I'm probably going to just get this working and not get the full thing working, and yeah, I go from there. 143, ensure repo, too few arguments. This should take image. 152. This should take image as well. 290. This should take args.image. 295. This should take args.image also. Fuck! Now you were too long. No! Damn it. Oh well. It's fine. But now the line numbers are gonna be off. Maybe we'll fix this later. 360. Args.image, that one's also gonna be too long. 362. 364. Oh, that's still the same call. But that might actually make MyPy happy. But it'll make Flake8 unhappy. So we'll fix the Flake8 problems. 295. And 360. So that should make Flake8 happy. And now we gotta fix the runner as well. The gentleman, I guess, says writing Python actually reduces muscles. Sarcastic Dante. That's pretty good. Oh, it was Mumi Jamala. Nice. Check out the new video on onlyfans.com/AnthonyWritesCode. Turtle22 says, "What does this program do?" If you want to check it out, so we were working on my bot for a while. Let me just do set today. Set today working on CI results for pre-commit.ci. So the program that I was working on before I got very, very distracted by chat is the CI system called pre-commit.ci, and the idea is it's a continuous integration, a purpose-built continuous integration system, particularly for the pre-commit tool, which is a linter code formatter git hooks manager thing. It knows, basically how to turn this config file into installed state and running stuff. So you can see like, you can install things here, and then it'll run them and have like pass-fail outputs. It still works for moderators, Sarcastic Dante, so don't abuse it. Can you put it back? I trusted you, Sarcastic Dante. I trusted you. Isla says, I have a big delay. Oh, I mean, oh yeah, it was because you were a mod, yeah. My delay say hi that I see the chat message you wrote before you even press it on the keyboard. Oh, I'm in fast mode right now, so it shouldn't be that delayed. Kimiko says, I recently acquired the @internal GitHub tag because I wanted to take advantage of special semantics of internal and Go, and I keep getting tagged. I don't know what I expected. Wait, you're really github.com/internal? That's so funny. That's funny. I like that. That's great. I'm surprised that was available, to be honest. Zebra Jack says, so basically TFS. Team Foundation server? Not really. It's mostly, it's basically like a replacement for specific like Travis CI or other configuration. Hilo says, I might ping in something near your town if you have something. I don't have anything running. You could ping my IP address, but it goes through Twitch's servers, so like, I don't think this is actually going to be helpful. But yeah, you could ping this IP address. That is my IP address. Yes, I posted my own IP in chat. I'm so doxed right now. Jumper says, YAML, yuck. I agree with you. This was unfortunately YAML before I realized how fucking shitty YAML is, and it is too late to fix, unfortunately. But if I could go back in time, I would yell at six years ago me to be like, no, why? Don't pick YAML. Pick literally anything else. But yeah. Kimiko says, it wasn't available, but somebody was squatting it and I reached out to support to get it. So you replaced one squatter with another squatter. I see. That makes sense.
You're pretty attractive. I think I'd fuck you, TBH.
Vape Juice Jordan, thank you for resubscribing. Who brought chat up to the next level of thirst. Well, welcome back, Vape Juice Jordan. It's good to have you. It also says, can't ping, request timed out. Oh, it's possible that I've turned off ping from the outside, so maybe it only works internally. Middle Storm says, just support multiple formats. I feel like that doesn't make things better. I feel like that just makes things worse. Because then I have to support a bunch of shit that I don't want to support. I'd rather just port to something else and then like phase out YAML. But I don't know that JSON 5 is mature enough yet. But Vape Juice Student says, oh shit, sorry, my cat ran across my keyboard. I believe you, buddy. I don't know if you'd want to fuck me right now. I'm kind of sick. Actually, I feel disgusting right now. But hopefully we'll get through this stream, and then Juice is apparently bringing over soup so that we will eat soup and feel better and such. MSR says, what would you pick instead of YAML? I think my current thing that I like the most is JSON 5 if they didn't have this tagline. If they could drop this tagline, oh, that's fucking jank. Why would they do this? Why would they do this? Do they all do that? Oh, they all do that. Oh. Gross. They've got paragraph wiggle. I bet we can make the wiggle worse. Just put it right here. Oh yeah, 2-line wiggle. Gross. Anyway. But the idea behind JSON 5 is it's basically JSON, but you can have unquoted keys, you can have single quotes, you can have trailing commas, you can have, hexadecimal, you can have multi-line strings, you can nest double quotes without having to escape them, and it's backwards compatible with JSON for the most part. But yeah, I think JSON 5 is pretty cool, but I need a decent, fast Python version. Don't pick YAML, let's pick XML. Oh. Hey, what's up? OXONOX. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Vape Juice Jordan coming in hot as always. It's true. Soupbox Hero says Michaela, true. Hyla says, Twitch really needs to have a ping feature to help people. Yeah, to see like how far behind things are. Turtle22 says, at least it's not with Comic Sans. That's true. D-Toys says, Python dicks pray. Well, we're not going to use Python dicks because I'm not going to eval code. So... John Omega says, uses JSON, be surprised it takes a century to parse. JSON's actually pretty fast. Let's do configs in BSON. Or GSON. Those would be two bad choices. Mongo Gang. Oh, not Mongo. What is the MOTD? What did you guys set it to? Forgot about that. It's pretty good. Okay. But yeah, this passes my pie now, right? Run files that. Apparently I have not set up Flake8. Or any of my other linters. That's weird. Okay, so that works now. But the problem is this run worker will be wrong. Do I have this set anywhere else? I do not. Run worker? Where is the part where it runs? This. Okay, so we need image here as well, which means we need to pass that along from up here. Image equals data image. And I can't be arsed to sort these properly, so we'll sort. Weird, using Vim commands. What am I doing? Denver says, I think normal JSON is fine. Not keen on the multi-line strings. Yeah, the multi-line strings is not so great. But trailing commas and comments are fucking killer features that JSON should have. So, yeah. The jumping says flat buffers. There you go. Oh no. Configure the app by a SQLite database named config.db. Be the worst thing ever. Ella says, I wanted to learn some MongoDB, but it wanted me to sign up for some classes instead of just looking at a simple doc. Yeah, that's how they're trying to make money on their classes now, which I find is kind of strange. Zebrajack says INI files, so INI wouldn't work for pre-commit because it has a very nested structure. Toml might work, but it would look really ugly, so I don't really know how I feel with that either. DToys tried to set MOTD, but you gotta set it through the channel points. That's how that works. Hey, what's up, Frosted Donut? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Summersoft says multi-line strings come in handy with certain command line incantations, though I don't think pre-commit will be handling much bash shell. Technically, pre-commit does not use the shell at all. Although you can have it call shell scripts or inline shell commands if you really want to. Damn it, D-Toys. Kimiko says wireless. Indeed. You want it to be human readable, yes. YAML, no! DeviceFF says, oh, I see you're new to programming, never too late to start. You think I'm new to programming, DeviceFF? Get the fuck out of here. I'm new to programming? Please. I'm very not new to programming. I'm very not new to programming. The Merlock says, do you know about game servers and instances? Are instances programmed with threading? I don't know what you're specifically referred to, but pretty much all games have some amount of threading in them, both on server side and client side. Dito says, why are you so concerned about YAML? It's literally Python in software world. Because it's super complicated. The spec is 88 pages long. It's ridiculous. There's so many different things you can do with it too. It's just kind of a mess. The Jumpmaker says you would only use Python if you're new to programming. You got me there, buddy. Got me there. I must be a noob. It's true. Turtle says, I really hope one day I will be able to understand what's going on. I mean, some of the stuff that I do is pretty simple or straightforward. I also have a YouTube channel, which I have some videos that are targeted more at beginners, and some of them are like tutorial style content, and that might be helpful. Highland says, do you have a bachelor's degree, a master's degree? If so, would you do it again? I have a bachelor's of science in computer science and a minor in biochemistry, and I probably would do it again, but I would not say that it is necessary for industry. But yeah. Device says, it's sad that people really didn't get the joke. It's fine, it's fine. You know, sometimes it's hard to tell what things are jokes over chat. Especially because you can't see the intonation or the facial expressions or the hand expressions or anything else. There's basically no way to interpret sarcasm in text. And so if I respond to your messages that are actually sarcastic, but I take them seriously, I'm sorry for that. But there's not much I can do about it. Okay, so we need to enqueue the image here. pre-commit.ci web app. And we will do this in a better way some other day. To do encode this value in a better way some other day. Image equals pre-commit : 1, and then we gotta find the two enqueues and put image in here. Make sure this is sorted. Oh, it was perfect. And put that in there. Dope. Cool. Cool. Okay, so let's restart everything and make sure things still work. Don't need to restart that one. We need to restart this one. We need to restart that one. Probably didn't actually need to restart that one, but we did it anyway. Okay, so in theory, if I go to here, ace2/demo, and if we just force push this, we should get a PR job, and then we should get a worker job. Okay, so we got the PR job, and we got the worker job. Shit. Okay, well. Oh, I see. I see what we did. Pre-commit.ci, build, run. We put these in the wrong order. So this should eventually catch up and then do work there. Speaker says, I have a bachelor's degree, but I didn't realize it required me to be single for the rest of my life. Fuck. Shit, dude. Guess says, we can see your facial expressions. Yeah, but I can't see your guys' facial expressions. RustaNet says, just learned that you're a core developer on PyTest. Thanks for all the awesome work. I love PyTest. Yep, that's me. I am one of the 5? Wait. Bruno, Ronnie, me, and Bluetech. 4 current core devs on PyTest. Yes. DeviceFF says, XLift tech lead must be new. Yeah. Okay, I get you now. Sarcastic Dante says, every time someone says sarcastic, there's this split second that I think it's related to me. That's true. Hey, what's up, NSO? Welcome back. Good to see you again. The Merlick says, like for example, there are games played in League of Legends. You can't afford hundreds of thousands of servers, so you set a server to serve for, say, 1,000 games at the same time. Is this done by threading? Not specifically threading. So like, basically what they're doing there is they're partitioning their user base to connect to particular servers. And the servers probably have threads and the clients probably have threads, but the thing that they're doing to partition people is not particular threads itself. But yes, there are threads in play, but it's not how they do their partitioning. Hey, what's up, Abdunio and Murtanau? Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, why did this rebuild? That's not what I expected. Oh, it probably rebuilt because I changed the format of the database, which is fine. I probably used just the tag string and not the full string, so it did a rebuild for no reason. Which makes sense. This is what I expect when I will upgrade the version as well. But yeah, cool. Okay, this is back to working again. I still need to test master branch because I did change that one as well. It says, you're right, in this industry it isn't the only way to get a job, considering the fact that in Italy I think that electronics and programming classes are really unrelated or poorly taught. Yeah, electronics and programming are still kind of separate in the US, although you can get an EECS degree. I have an EECS degree, which is electrical engineering and computer science. I know fuck all about electrical engineering. Jumper says you will use threads to accept and handling data. It sounds more like load balancing / socket clusters. Yeah, I agree with Jumper. Genix says, sounds like a prime example of where to use threading. Okay, so it would use threading to like handle lots of connections, but it wouldn't use threading to do the actual balancing part. Hey, what's up, Gulin? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Kinbigo says, did you notice that the gray / white plushies on the background are lewd looking? Oh no! That was unintentional. But it does kind of look like a penis. Fuck. Why do you gotta ruin everything, Kinbigo? MSR says, what is the advantage of PyTest over unit test? I've always used unit test and I feel like I'm missing a lot of good things. Do you have a YouTube video on an introduction to PyTest? I don't think I have one specifically about PyTest yet. Although I do use PyTest in a lot of my videos. Let me see if we have one. PyTest. I do use PyTest to test stuff here. We talk about parameterize here. This is actually one like feature that I think is really powerful in PyTest, although you can have subtests in unit test, which does the same thing. But either of those PyTest videos could kind of like give you a small intro to PyTest, but I should probably, you know, video idea, intro to PyTest. I should probably do like an actual video where I go over stuff like that. But yeah, I don't have anything specific to that, but yeah, I could do something like that. Flesh says, if I want to store some GitHub issues data in a SQLite database, how would I store their labels? I only care about the labels' names, not their IDs or whatever. Do I need to create another table just to say which issue has which labels? It depends on how you want to use the data. Like if you're going to be like updating, adding, and removing labels, it probably makes sense to store them in a separate table. Like if you're doing like true database, you know, denormalization or normalization or whatever the fuck the term is, you would probably have an issue table and then like an issue labels table, where you would have a one-to-many relationship between those two tables. Or you could just cheat and like store JSON in a text column, which like depends on like how hacky you're looking for. You could just have like a JSON thing in a text column, and that would work. Would I suggest it? Probably not, but it would probably work. TOS incoming, yeah. Hyla says, maybe many professors and universities don't get in touch with big projects in their life, and they use their time to fuck with fundamentals. Possible, yeah. Bonking Kambiko, that's fair, that's fair. Loot-shaped things are the easiest way to comedy, yeah. Michaela says, and a label table label of tables that labels tables of table labels. Oh, my head hurts just thinking about that. We're not gonna go there. Summersoft says, I'm trying to remember if Brian Hawkins' book covers some comparison to unit tests, but I can't. I'll open it up real quick to see if he does. His book is really good either way. Oh, fuck. I don't have my copy of it anymore because I lent it to somebody at Lyft. I'm never seeing that shit again. But maybe he'll buy another copy. Jumper says it's a bit harsh, but I think it's sometimes better for professors and teachers to introduce languages and products, but ideally it's up to the student to get into specific areas. Yeah, that makes sense. Like, I think I learned a lot more about programming on my own than I ever did from a professor. Like, by far. Like, probably like 95 to 5 or something like that. Like, 20 to 1, 30 to 1, something like that. What's up, Jadlers? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Another table it is. Sounds good, yeah. And it says your book got lifted. True. The job maker says track that person down and haunt them. So here's the thing, it's like I just put it on my desk and like sent a message and was like, pick up this book and read it and put it back when you're done, and then I never saw the book again. So yeah. Metal Storm says same on 95 to 5. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Okay, well, what have I actually accomplished today here? I moved to constant. That's literally all I did. But I think I'm probably gonna call it here for today. Let's see. Git status, git add issue. Allow or make image a parameter for running. And Miguel says I wanted to see Juice Bonks on stream. I can go see if she's here. I don't know if she's actually here yet. This is actually pretty funny. I have a hook called add trailing comma, and it actually removed a trailing comma here. Happens occasionally. Can add the shoe. Because when did she say she was coming over? That was a while ago. That was a while ago. That was when Cloudflare was down. That was before we got this done. I guess I could grab, oops, not in that tab. Grab juice box hero in logs of today. Tail last 5 messages. See you in 30 minutes at an hour ago. So it's possible she is already in my house. And I just don't know. I'll go see if she's here. I'll be right back. She's not here, chat. 30 minutes was a lie. But oh well, that's fine. Hey, what's up, the Spicy Guinea? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And yeah, we'll be wrapping up here. Well, let me catch up on chat, talk about what we did today, and then we'll, you know, do my little spiel. Jibber says, accomplish today, talk to chat, procrastinate with chat. We did build that new chat command and did some stuff with channel points, which was kind of cool. I didn't even know the channel point stuff was possible, so it was kind of neat that we got that working. Turtle says, I'm just in my first semester of computer engineering, and my programming teacher is destroying all of me and my classmates. Oh no, that's not good. Summersoft says, projects have switched from unit test to PyTest or nose, because PyTest offers powerful features such as assert rewriting, a third-party plugin model, and a powerful yet simple fixture model that is unmatched in other testing frameworks. Releases of PyTest are quicker since they don't have to track the CPython releases like unit tests. Yeah, unit test is basically, I mean, I like to refer to modules in the standard lib as stranded because it's really hard for them to get updates and new features, and unit test very slowly gets updated. Michaela says, could she really be in your house without you knowing? Yes, she is not in my house though. And yeah, and it's time for the spiel. Okay, cool. So anyways, if you like the content that you saw today, I upload all of my previous streams to youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I also upload other educational content, which are these like purplish videos. And yeah, so this is the same as my Twitch channel, Anthony Writes Code. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, so I will see you guys tomorrow if you guys show up for the stream. But I announce my streams in 2 places. One of them is on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. This is different than my Twitch handle, so note that this one is Code with Anthony, but I usually say something like, I'll be streaming in 80 minutes, and then I talk about what I'm going to work on, and I definitely didn't get this done today, but such is the way of stream. And I also announced them on Discord, which if you bang Discord, you guys are free to join that. But thank you all for stopping by, and Kid Pico says did literally nothing to set my MOTD right before the end of stream. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.